Okilikili kana buku ose na da ali enu. Oya si kopuri ya. Asi na agugu uzo agugu ọnụ. Ọsọ mgbada bụ n'ugwu. Okilikili kana buku ose na da ali enu.
I don't come for you.
Hey!
Don't be for you. Don't be for you. You see you, eh? One day I go use you na ground. Now you dey come, Abi. As you big, you don't want to learn this work. I just say look because it's my cousin brother. You don't want to put eye for this work. Eh, Chidi. See when you come here which day, you don't sabi file shoe. See, nothing you sabi. The only thing you sabi na to chop. Where they come from now?
I go chop
And they talk later.
biscuits and plantain.
They mad. God punish you. Give me the zippers. Oh yeah, go carry that zipper. Go dey find am fast.
How dare you? How dare you open your shop when I instructed no one should open his or her shop on the K market day? That is the day we worship our river goddess, our chief. How dare you?
That's the way. What did they do for here? What they concern me and your river? I be rugged Christian. If they feel me, I'm not going to tell nonsense what they do. That's why you say make one girl come river for sacrifice. One of her hand lost. Any fair girl where you see, you got to call her 1 miri. I be like 1 miri for you. I be black girl. And then they follow you do all this nonsense. Come on for here.
To appease the goddess, your fine is to carry your craft to the river goddess. To say I am sorry to her.
If I try, I might die. If I come out for this place, you don't vex me. I go beat you for here now. Come on for here.
EZENWANYI, Millie.
Get my shoes.
Oh, she don't come out.
EZENWANYI, don't carry my shoes. Hey! My shoes. You see this woman? You see this woman? They find my trouble.
He carry the Fendi design, oh. Carry everything home.
My expensive shoes.
Now the Fendi and Gucci one she carry, oh.
EZENWANYI, my son does not know the culture. He just came back from Lagos. I beg of you, don't send thunder to kill him for me. He's the only son that I have. He will not swim the river again. Biko.
Woman, go home. Your son is already dead.
Hi.
For as far as EZENWANYI is concerned in this village, your son is gone.
Hey!
Go!
Chimebukwamo. Hey! Mama unkwa Chimebukwamo. Ewo! Hey! Chimebukwamo.
EZENWANYI! What did they cause all this rubbish now? Not try this nonsense with me, oh. If they do this rubbish with people, not try it with me, you're mad.
How dare you?
How dare waiting? Not try this rubbish with me. I don't get joy, yo. My joy lost. I defend. I never see him.
How dare you?
What did they stop you now?
Are you mad?
They mad? Why you come and go carry my shoes? Eh? You know how much they sell so? How much they sell leather? Bring my shoes, I beg. I need to follow you play, oh. Since I come this village, I dey mind my business the day my day. Make everybody punk me. Make nobody find my trouble. Here my shoes.
EZENWANYI, Millie.
Millie, fight her! Bring her down! Madam, stop them, waste your energy. See me, I dare your front, fight me. Leave him, fight me. What did they stop you?
How dare you talk to my mother like that? Are you mad? Is something wrong with your head?
Mad. You won't call it. I will take you Nagra for here. I'm not well, no.
Ezugo!
Slap me! I will beat you for here.
Ezugo! Come,
What's in the shop for here now?
Ezugo, imagine Neto Chukwu had the effort, the boldness to come to our separate compound to insult Mama. As if it's not enough. She slapped at that minute.
Ezugo, this thing slapped me.
Neto Chukwu, I'm done waiting now. I'm done waiting. Waiting the shop.
Come on for my front, you're mad. Come on for my front.
Neto Chukwu, Mama, she pushed me.
Do it.
I don't keep pressing her. She pushed me. Mama, don't keep pressing.
I'm gonna hit you for come on my front, you're mad. You're mad. I'm gonna send your hand. You'll collect for it. Come on my front. Come on my front. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Let me do anything.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Stay there now. Stay there now. Don't worry.
Yes. What the fire? You damn mad. You damn my house, the para, you damn crazy. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. You're crazy. Go! You're mad. Come on, buddy. You're mad. Near me. Near me. Near me. Near me now. You know your eye be this. I go kill him. I go use a knockout. And your eye be this. Now you take me play. What are you holding? Keep that thing.
I gotta deal with your fuck off for this house today. No worry, this one not reach. Now I go carry my color. I go.
Stop it. See, man. Shut up, boo. See, I will come back for now. I will come back. I go reimburse, come back for una. Una no price. And anybody with a price must buy. Now me and una for this village. I don't blame you. EZENWANYI, bring my shoes, otherwise it go be for you.
You're not gonna do anything.
Okay.
You're not gonna do anything.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Yes.
I'm not gonna do anything.
You're not gonna do anything.
I dey come.
You're not gonna do anything. Now why you dey mad boy? You don't know. You're not gonna do anything, Neto.
She slapped me.
Where she there now? She don't come out. She get locked, say she don't come out. Mama, now I thought you could get locked, say she don't come out. If not, I for sure. Don't rush for there now. My son say, Ezu gonna man. Say you get man for this house. Now I thought you could, you get locked. But don't worry, I go still meet you. No worry, I go still meet her, Mama. I go still show am something. Show am say you get man. I go slap you outside there. No, Mama, she for there now, I show am. Say you get man. Say I be man. Ezu go.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. What kind of dream is this? Neto Chukwu fighting with demonic family. No. No. Oh, not my daughter. Not my daughter. Where is she? Neto. 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 Neto Chukwu. Neto. Neto. She's not here. She's not here. Neto. Neto.
My good evening. What is it?
Please, did you stop at your sister's shop? Is she there?
I stopped there, but I don't see her. I only saw this Mumuchi and the rest of them. But Neto is not there. Any problem?
She's not there?
No.
No problem. When you get to the house, the keys, you will see the key where we used to drop it. Okay. I need to see your sister very fast. It's very, very important. Go.
But she's not in her shop now. Where are you going to?
I said go to the house. I'm coming.
Mama. Mama, are you okay?
If I start now, they go say Neto don't start. Eh? They go say I dey find trouble. I dey my own, they mind my business now. This useless is the one you don't want let me rest. I go come and shop, come pack on my shoes. So waiting. I don't get the one in Shirai, she no dey there. I go river, she no dey for that place. I person will come carry my shoes. Don't be wickedness be that. Say be EZENWANYI. If be EZENWANYI for your pocket oh. I'm not sending anybody, Papa. Useless EZENWANYI. And so you carry one girl go river, say want do sacrifice. What I carry the girl go? It don't be say Igwe they always decide them. That woman supposed they jail, they cool off. How they throw and do all this on a river thing? So I be child of God. I know they do all this rubbish EZENWANYI nonsense. EZENWANYI, if I catch you, if you don't give me my money, it go big for you. I know well, oh. Make I catch you first. Anywhere where you there, just stay run. Because if I catch you, it go big for you.
Neto, where are you coming from?
Why you run like this? What is this up? Mama, the fire is the wine. I don't find I go Shirai, find I go river, I no see am. That woman no fear. She come my shop, come pack my shoes. I don't give am. Latest this Friday. If she don't give me my money, I go destroy everywhere. This kingdom, go scatter.
No,
you go see am.
No way. Neto Chukwu, please. You can't, you don't need to say that now. There is fire on the mountain. Biko.
Fire.
Yes, so.
Fire. Who put fire for mountain? Who put fire? Mama talk now.
Neto, you don't need to ask me all these questions. Please follow me. Just come. Follow me. Follow me. You will not die young.
Amen. But what happened?
Don't worry. When we get to the house, I will explain everything to you. Do you hear me? Just follow me.
What did happen?
My daughter.
Mama, they like this kind of thing. I know they like am.
My daughter, the dream is a very bad one. Please, just allow me to go. Because let me go myself. Just forget about the shoe. I will go myself.
No, Mama. How can she come to her shop and pack her shoes and say she forget about it?
Bina, what are you saying?
It's not nice, Mama.
Mama, see, I use my kidney, my liver, everything when my body take beg you. You see this is where you talk now, no talk am again. I don't like am, but you dey form my hand now. You dey bring down my morale. Obi EZENWANYI. She no fear, she come my shop, come pack my shoes. I know you like this kind of thing. I know well, if I vex now, they go say I don't start. I tell about they do my shoe business. You tell me say you dey get BP, make I come meet you. I don't dare now. Trouble from left, right. I don't like this kind of thing, no. So EZENWANYI now don't leave Fanta, don't leave biscuit and sweet. Now shoes be her problem. Come carry my shoes. I no go leave my shoes for her. Is it that I collect my shoes or I collect my money? Otherwise, this kingdom go destroy. I go scatter everywhere. You go hear him.
Listen to me.
Please calm down. See, report this matter to the king. Yes, report to the king immediately.
Where you crew that thing? Report to which king? King going to go do anything. I'm not going to report to any king. You see that EZENWANYI? In fact, Mama, they come.
Hey, Neto! Obi, call your sister. Neto! Neto, Chukwu!
Mama, allow her. See, Neto, please go to the king. Don't go and fight her EZENWANYI. Let her go and fight her money.
Obi, now what are you saying? Go after your sister now. That woman will harm her.
Don't worry, the woman will
You know
not
that
do
woman
anything.
is full of evil.
Mama, it's okay. How can she just leave her goods for that woman? It's not nice now.
Neto, if anything happens
She's
to my
going to
brother.
report to the king. Mama, come, let's go inside. Yeah? Come. She's going to report to the king.
Wow. This is so beautiful. Babes, you see this? You mean to tell me that you produced this by yourself?
Yes, so. I mean, produce them. Na Neto's designers, original Aba made. Better, correct, ogbonge, gengen leather na take nakam. My princess, this your shoe, you know they get yourself, oh. I go fee give you original leather, or you go like them.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Even this bag, let me make am.
Really?
Now my design.
This is so amazing. You're talented. Wait, what part of Idemili are you from?
Ogidi.
Ogidi?
I go lie for you.
Same village with me.
They tell you.
Oh my God, you are amazing. This is so good.
Thank you.
What's happening here?
Good day, my king.
Neto,
Sir?
how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's going on?
Father,
Yes.
look at the birthday gifts she gave me. I'm so happy. I don't even know how she got my size. Huh? I don't know.
Neto is very fantastic. In fact, she gifted me 2 pairs like this on my birthday.
2?
That was last month, I guess.
Last month.
So I'm wearing it. You thought I bought it when I went to France?
No. Thank you. Well, I am so happy. Thank you so much. No one has ever gifted me before. I've always been the one giving out. Thank you.
My prince, I gift you this shoe as your birthday gift. You know, say you invite me come your birthday ceremony yesterday. I no get chance. I go do baby. Now I say, man, knock you this gift. Better leather.
Thank you so much. May the gods smile on your craft.
You say, oh.
Oh my God, baby!
Are you okay?
Oh, I think I need water. Not my man. Putting on Neto's shoes. Why are you acting like you don't have other shoes? You have so many, even brands in your closet. Why are you wearing this?
Babe, I love this shoe. The fact that it's coming from a Nigerian, a girl from my kingdom.
Oh, please come off it. This is nothing. This is just an Aba-made shoes from a local brand.
Yes, I love Aba-made shoes. I love it local. Huh? Since you derive joy in talking down on the effort of a woman like you, your fellow woman, come to think of it, have you ever gifted me before?
Really? Do you want to talk about it now?
Oh yes, let's talk about it. You talk down on this woman every now and then. You've not even given me as low as a boxer. But look at me. I got you a car. Human hairs. iPhones. I changed your wardrobe. I even placed you on a monthly salary for just being my girlfriend.
May I remind you that you are my man. And it's also the duty of a man to take care of his woman. Babe, I am your responsibility, so do not complain.
I am not complaining, right? But you see this shoe, this Aba-made. Henceforth, I'll start wearing it. More, in fact, I'm in love with it henceforth. The best out of my collections.
For heaven's sake, are you forgetting that you are a prince? Babe, take this out. Get something else to wear. Failing to do so, cancel every of our appointment because I'm not stepping out with you wearing this nonsense. Excuse me.
This is the time of Neto designs. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will keep wearing them. Yes, I love it.
You're coming to my house. How? Any problem?
Get my shoes when you come and store come back. Eh? What don't you understand? Why you go come my shop, come back, my shoes worth millions of naira? Unganu, give me my shoes or give me the money. Fast!
Neto Chukwu.
Here's the wine.
The fly that will not listen to advice will follow the corpse to the grave. Be careful. Be careful, Neto Chukwu. Madam, what's your
Who be fly, who be cops? I don't understand you. Did you paste anywhere or put notice anywhere say today na market day? Say make we not open shop and make we carry our goods come river? How you expect make I take no? I be winch, you want make I fly, make I take no? How did you expect me to know? EZENWANYI. EZENWANYI. EZENWANYI.
Enough is enough.
I hear you.
Enough is enough. I will not warn you again.
EZENWANYI, biko, Bahari, biko, buto.
Ne. Your daughter has refused to acknowledge me in this kingdom. Therefore, she will bear the consequences.
Which consequence?
You know what I mean.
You're not going to do anything. You will bear the consequence. You don't speak English. Come now by force. You be thief, you be only. Now by force. Mama, wait, make I talk. When I hear say Igwe they do birthday, I use my church mind go dash am shoe. My church mind though, nobody force me. I heard that Ono who was very sick, I arrange you go give him. You, what it bind me and you? Me and you they follow the same road. What it concern me and you? If this leg go to disappear, they pain you. You go talk to me. You go beg me. Then I go arrange disappearing shoe give you. Don't be say you go use force. You came to my shop to pack my shoes. You be thief. You be only OG. Thief. EZENWANYI, why the thief? Oh yeah. Before I go count, go give me my shoes.
Madam, hold your daughter. If she dares me, she will disappear from this earth forever.
I go disappear.
Of course you will. I'll make you disappear.
Chimo, EZENWANYI, biko, please just forgive her. She's still a small girl.
What be little girl? I don't like this kind of thing. What be this? Why you need to say, who they say be little girl? Say because I be picking on me, say they call me small girl. I'm not small, though. EZENWANYI, I'll count 1 to 20 if you not give me my shoes. If you not go give me my shoes, I go do you something where you go regret. I'm going to count from 1 to 20 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, you don't make her disappear. What be this now, Mama? What shall be Chimo? What be this nonsense what you do now? You don't make this my person where they find all over the place. You don't make her carry my money go. My money worth millions of naira. You go give me the money, oh.
Hell, no, don't worry. I'll give you money from my crayfish money. Biko, ne.
Which crayfish? How much be the crayfish? I better stop this kind of nonsense talk. Which kind of rubbish? You didn't put mouth for it no consign you. Listen, why she can't go now?
Ne, Biko.
What kind of nonsense be this?
I say, if you make one fine shoe for me, or you get one fine shoe from your madam's store, I will sleep with you.
Is everything? No, I can't just speak loud. Is it?
I said, if you give me one beautiful shoe, like if you dash me one beautiful shoe from your madam's store, I'll sleep with you. Anyhow you want it. It's not a big deal.
Give me 460, make I check something. Before I decide.
Huh?
Make I see 460 first. Run up for me, 460.
Okay.
Ubeja roka. Only make I see your leg. Yo. Blood there. 39 big. Consider you done. Make I go thief. I go my madam's store now. Waiting I go thief there no go proper.
Just like that.
Consider it done. Make I go thief my madam's shoe.
You dey go thief?
I dey go thief like this.
If them catch you, no call my name. I don't want to hear neka from your mouth if them catch you.
Consider I start this business. I be a bad boy. Check history. I go to like Fendi.
That Fendi is beautiful.
Versace.
Me dey bust my dada.
Just 5 shoes, 5 doggy.
Anyhow.
I want
anywhere you want.
Yeah, me premier.
Yes.
I'm happy.
Yes.
What are we now talking? You know what will go happen? Wait for me for primary 2 class.
Our primary school?
Primary 2 class.
Okay.
Go wait for me there. If you go, just lock door, lock window, sit down. I'm coming.
Okay.
Let me go and do the needful.
Okay. Be careful.
No, I'm professional. I'm an Aba boy. Original Aba.
Mama, I don't support you. Agreement is agreement.
Oh, shut up. Shut your mouth. What do you know? Anubinofia. Those shoes are for EZENWANYI Millie. Because she asked me to give the instruction that day that nobody should go out, and she went and opened her shop. Did I take the... Okay, where is the shoes in this house? Why would she come out on the day they said no market? Everyone should close their shop. She came out. Where are you going dressed like that? Carrying a box.
Mama, off to the palace.
For what? Why?
What do you mean why? Did I not tell you that I would love to work at the palace? Even as a maid. Oh, wait. Mama, you heard it now. You heard the town crier. You heard the announcement. Huh?
Did they announce that you were going to work at the palace? Or rather, they announced that maidens that want to work in the palace should come forward. Your mother is a priestess. She's the EZENWANYI of this kingdom. You don't have at least a little pride not to go there? What are you lacking in this house?
Ada, spill the beans now. After all, Mama will not flog you. Huh? Mama, she's in love with the prince. She wants to go and shoot her shirt.
She's in love with the prince?
Yes, Mama.
The prince is already engaged. He has a girlfriend that is about to get married to.
Does that matter?
Will you always play a second fiddle in your life?
Where you come in, oh? Now, dear you waka jeje, come enter the matter.
I says the wine.
Mama, that is where you come in as a mother. Come and make me possess my possession. Okay, imagine it this way. The prince getting married to one of your daughters.
Mama, we'll enjoy it together.
Very much. So, Mama, you just have to get it done.
I don't like the prince.
Make it happen, Mama. That is what you will do for me.
I'll go see.
I wish you good luck. Get it done, Mama.
And where are you going?
Mama, let her be now.
She's an adult, so let her be.
Oh, no, Mama.
Don't even touch me. Mama, leave me alone. I said, don't touch me.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Mama, they tell me that I don't want here. Why you go tell me say you won't give me the money? Small money when I give you, you won't give me back. You know how much they talk about for you? We talk about millions of naira. Neither woman carry my shoes. What millions of naira? You think they go give me the money? Don't talk that, you know. I must collect shoes or my money. In fact, I don't want the shoes again. And my money I want because I dey go Aba this Friday. Go buy materials. I don't tell that woman, say, later this Friday, if she not give me my money, I go scatter her shrine.
Neto, no scatter shrine, no. No, you and Mama will get problem. And you and EZENWANYI. But Mama, come to think of it. Who does EZENWANYI think she is in this village? That is how she was bragging and dragging with everybody, almost through Papa's burial. He was even challenging the Reverend Father. What is this? But Neto, please, don't scatter her shrine. Go to the Igwe and report, because Igwe will make her pay you your money.
Where you that thing? Why I go report to King? Then now.
You say what?
King and EZENWANYI, they bash, they muke, they wound each other. Hey. King go support him, I'm not go try him, I'm not go report to any king.
Neto!
Neto now, they bash. I go lie for you.
Hey! It's okay. Don't worry, I will go and report to Onowu myself. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, but I did for your back. I see the branch Onowu, I mean I the branch Igwe Palace, go land there for formality's sake. I must go there.
It's better this way. Mama, please go to Onowu and report. You go to Igwe, but don't go and scatter the shrine. No be you and Mommy water get case.
In fact, make we dey go now, sef, because we dey waste time. Make we dey go.
Hey, what do you want to have before saying?
Please, make sure you go to the king palace. Don't go to EZENWANYI's shrine.
Mama, don't go and do anything stupid, though.
Mama, just follow her so that you go to Onowu.
No, I will go at my own convenient time. Don't force me.
Oh, yeah, let us go inside.
Hey, baby. I'm almost done.
You're doing good.
Thank you, baby. Not you putting on Neto's wares again. Babe, why are you obsessed with her local, irrelevant brand?
Enough. What is wrong with you? Is the shoe complaining?
Of course I am complaining.
Yes, I bought it from her.
This is our outing. You don't just wear some local shoes. My love, I don't want you wearing this. Are you forgetting that you are the prince? You are my man. I want you to look your best.
I know.
Know this.
I know I'm the prince. And so?
And so you're going to change it? Come on. Everybody is waiting to see what you wear. People will be checkmating your outfit. Our outfit. Please change it.
And I say no. You see this brand? I am going to wear this brand henceforth. Right? You can keep wearing your German, UK, Turkey brands. I don't care. Right? But you see this one? This Nigerian maid, this Abba maid, I love it with my chest. Full chest.
This Abba maid sucks. Excuse me.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Not even going anywhere. What is this? I'll have to please others to displease myself? For what exactly? What nonsense is this?
I believe if we are able to gather the youths, make them go through vocational training where they will learn different crafts. Some into vulcanizing, some will be into carpentry, some into catering, some into rentals, some can even go into, becoming mechanics. Added to the fact that this will help the unemployment issue. Now, if we then help them with soft loans to kickstart these trades, I believe that it will bring down the rate of crime, kidnapping, and a whole lot of others, crime and hooliganism. I think they will all stop. I think we should start from there.
You're right, Your Highness. You've already made a great point. Besides, it's a value that will make their lives valuable to this kingdom and to their generations to come.
Didn't she see us? Yes, Your Highness.
Oga, they ask you, where you from? Where you go before? So, madam go come up for here, you said go come out. Since you say may you go shit, I don't know whether na your tester is the shit sis. Eh?
You be like say you the man. You the boss people my ear. I don't like him. Which I be say, madam, now you na made for this shop. I go watch you slap oh.
You don't fit do anything. You don't fit do anything.
Abeg. Like this now you go enter your belly.
Abeg, you don't. Please, madam, where is my shoes? Please bring it. I dey come, I go bring your shoes. No try am, no try next time.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Now too much blame. Because the customer there, they get morale. It's nothing.
I go you don't fit do anything. Madam, check whether it dey complete. Madam, go come out. You say go come out. You don't grow wings now.
No.
How much? Say they complete now 6,000.
Please, one person should follow me so that I will give you a say.
Oh yeah, stand up, follow am. Stand up now, follow am, go collect money now.
When you dey feel fun for here, I know say you know we don't get respect. Now me do take time your call. You say I no say
follow am, go collect money. See, if she go now, you go pay. I go tell madam.
Try am.
Oga, follow am, go collect money. Follow am, go collect money.
Calm down. No, calm down.
My prince, now the matter na carry me come this palace. Everybody knows I know they look for person trouble. Make no person find my own. I dey punk me the day my day. You see that there's a wine. I know they block her progress. Make she no block my own. I don't clear her. This Friday, she will give me money for my shoes.
This is bad, Your Highness. She can't owe her over a month plus and refuse to pay. She's enjoying her product, so she should prepare her.
Young woman, you said the money is 1.7 million?
Yes, my prince.
Father, you heard her. EZENWANYI must pay this money by force. She was here 3 days ago and you gave her a whooping sum of 2 million. For what reason I do not know. She must pay.
Enough. You are not the king. And she did not come here to report to you, but to me.
Just airing my mind. That's all.
Netochukwu, like you have said, you'll get paid on or before that Friday.
Igwe, thank you. Because if that Friday reach, I don't see my money, I go display madness. So,
My daughter, don't worry. You can go. You heard.
He has given her the money, 2 million naira. So she'll pay you.
Okay. Get another thing while they observe. Another offense where this is the one they commit for this community. You know what they call Okite? She they collect money from Yahoo boys. They do work for them. They do ritual. Sacrifice. Hey! She did stage 1. No? Small time now she go graduate, enter stage 2. Go begin they package human behead. They collect human behead. If you collect prince head, if you collect Igwe head, or even know who head. We could not open our eyes. They look, make bad thing they happen. That woman is a wine. She did very desperate. Okay. Placenta of Pekin. Now woman don't they graduate to.
You can go. You get the money.
We not go they open our eyes. They look, make abomination. They grow placenta, Pekin placenta. That woman put eye there. Oh, very dangerous somebody. Oh, I say make I call. Make you elect.
You had me.
Because if not,
go.
Yes.
Go.
Okay.
I don't see why both of you should have disagreements all the time. Because when I'm gone, both of you will rule this kingdom as king and queen. So I wouldn't expect you at that time to be fighting yourselves over a little thing like fashion. No.
Father, you know me too well. I am not a fashion freak. I love Neto's wares. I mean, they are super, super nice. Very strong and comfy on my legs, as you can see. She frowned at it for whatever reason I do not know, calling the name that it is Abba made.
Princess Adora, talking about Neto shoes, is it because it's locally made, so you will use the word locally made? You want to say it's Abba made or something because it's made by a Nigerian in Nigeria? No. You see, we encourage craft. We appreciate, hard work and creativity. In line with that, that's where Neto shoes came from. How would you feel if you were in that position and had invested so much money, so much time, so much creativity to come out with a beautiful product, and someone comes and says because it's made by Nigeria, in Nigeria, that is not worth it, and now shout it down? I'm very sure you are going to be devastated. We usually say because it's not from Asia or Europe, even not from North America or South or whatever, that is a low product. No, shoes is shoes. The shoe made with same craft, same hide and skin, same tools. The difference is that it's made in Nigeria. We now call it Abba made. That inferiority complex that we have imposed on ourselves, thinking that whatever comes from out is more superior than ours. You needed to see, so much that was invested in the finishing, because everything you do, the finishing is very important. And that's why Neto shoes comes out with so much fineness. Look at the king's leg. It's Neto shoes. What else are we talking about? Come on.
Father, I tried to talk to her, but...
Son, I believe you did not handle it the right way. There's usually a way to talk to our women. When you try to force it down their throat, they fight back. But when you talk in a manner that you are, you know that they have their own side of it, but you're trying to convince them in a manner that their dignity is so involved. They soon follow you. So you don't try to force it down her throat and expect her to accept it. You had different orientations. So I want both of you to stop this idea of fighting yourselves, okay? Don't be a loggerheads.
Father, my king, I am truly sorry for the misunderstanding. I didn't mean it that way. I was only trying to bring his mind to other brand of shoes that he has. Truthfully, I am not talking down on anybody. Right, baby, I'm sorry.
I understand perfectly. The same thing I was just saying. If he had said it in a manner that you could contribute, it won't be like that. So I want you to learn from now. If you want something for both of you, talk her into it. Don't force her into it. And the kingdom will be like heaven.
It's okay. Come here. Thank you, Father.
All right.
Hebo hebo oyolema neto chukwu neto chukwu nwanyi bụ ike she's stronger like a man you know fit cool am down.
I said you should stop. I will slap you if you touch me again. You the mad? What is wrong with you? Why you dey push me? Why will I not push you?
Give me one reason I should not touch you. So, Netochukwu, you went to the palace to report my mother to the king of where? Netochukwu, I heard everything you said, though. I heard it all. But, you know the fear. It be like say fear no dey your body. Everybody for this kingdom, they fear my family, except you.
You see they touch me, I go beat you.
Beat me now?
I'm not there in that mood, though.
That is what you're good
at.
at.
If I beat you, you go die.
Beat me, I am talking to you. So of all the women in the world, you picked my mother. Neto, you picked the wrongest person. If I were you, I will not go to sleep tonight because if I do, I will not wake up.
Oh, but okay. Now me the wrong mouth they give.
If uncle,
I be your mate.
Is my mother your mate?
Both your mama will even let go fear. You don't even reach my staff for my workplace. You the mad bomb there your head.
Now you the mad. Come on for this
my
mother your mate.
Come on for this place.
Come on for this place.
You the mad. Come here. You the mad. You the mad. You the mad. You the mad. Useless girl. She get luck say I know they in a very bad mood. But tonight for do am. Blood for come on for her body. Nonsense. Don't be Chidi run just now. Now Chidi, my hand don't they deceive me. Hey, make I reach my shop first. I did very sure say na Chidi I see just now. My hand don't they make I reach my shop.
Yeah. 8. Obin, right? It's okay, that's fine. You don't mean it. Your sister is back? Okay, please, don't tell us that I came, alright?
I understand what you're saying. Did you come looking for her? Eh? I said for sure.
Obina, who be that? Let's go find me. Who be that now?
Never mind, it's not for you. Hey, Alpha.
Talk now, who you talk to?
How did he go now? Tell me.
I don't report him.
Don't report him.
Straight.
What did the king talk now?
Don't worry yourself. I don't report him. I saw it be.
Say that so it be, but I hope say you know they go shrine again.
Don't worry yourself.
I beg, please. No go shrine, no go find mommy without trouble.
Go away. Of course, I am fine. Oh, my love. I am so sorry, baby.
I heard voices. Were you on call?
This? Oh, yes. I was on the phone with my brother in UK. Baby, I am sorry. I know I overreacted earlier.
It's okay. You know, I love you so much. I'm sorry.
Babe, it's fine. You don't have to be sorry. It's all my fault. I was totally wrong. I'm sorry.
Okay, I was wrong too.
I love you.
Love you too.
So, we'll still have a date to go on.
Yes, sure. Anything for my princess.
Thank you. I'll just get a few things ready.
It's alright. I'll be at the living room waiting for you. Don't be late.
I'll join you shortly.
Mama, you have to deal with Neto. You must deal with that idiot. She has insulted you enough in this village.
Neto went to the Igwe to report me. Neto Chukwu. Neto Chukwu. Ask what I'm agwaroge.
Mama, Neto did not just insult you. She told the king that you work for Yahoo boys. That they pay you well enough. Yet, you cannot afford to pay for those shoes, Mama. She even threatened to come and scatter your shrine.
Which shrine? Ha! This shrine. Maybe she thinks this shrine belongs to me alone. This shrine belongs to Ezemezundi Mili. EZENWANYI Mili lives in this shrine. In fact, this is her shrine. Let her come. Because we are that punani about.
Mama.
What's it happen for you now?
Brother, it's Neto. It's Neto.
Which one's say brother is Neto? Why you dey shout for here? What's it the solve? What's it Neto do?
Neto insulted Mama. She insulted Mama.
Ah, see.
I'm on my own.
Ah, see. Can I able Neto to insult my mama? What you dey talk? Na Neto insult to my mama. Nah. Neto Chukwu on your shoe. Neto on your shoe. Mama, Neto on your shoe insult my mama. Nah.
Esoko, where are you going?
Mama, what is it? What is it?
I just told you, allow me to deal with Neto myself. The battle line has been drawn. Let me deal with her. Where do you want to go?
Neto Chukwu insult my mama.
Just
Uja Adriana anya or insult to my mama.
Esoko, please.
Nga pia alikapu ofunanya. Neto Chukwu insult to nwanyi mmiri. Chieftaincy echi n'elu mmiri na gadi nwanyi. Ka Neto Chukwu insult to. That girl today.
Just allow her.
I will show her that mama gave birth to a man. Neto Uja Atoria or Baliagi, mama. And they come.
Me to deal with this.
No, mama, and they come.
Why did you tell him?
Why will I not tell him?
You should allow me to. The battle line has been drawn.
Mama,
I want to deal with her
myself.
myself.
No, I said no. While you are dealing with her, the rest of us will also be dealing with her.
Oh, open this door. I'm going to they are fall out here now. Whether your sister.
Let's go to the apple.
Don't let you go me now. Whether your sister. Huh? Where your sister? Huh?
Why would I cutlass deliver for my sister? What will happen?
Okay. If you don't provide your sister, now I'm begging pieces.
So if they leave you now, go fight my sister for my house. No, they fear. Carry cutlass, they come and say, I'm fight my sister.
I've got some. Shut up! My baby, going. So come on.
You won't fight me. Please don't fight me. You won't fight me. You come to Papa's house, you won't fight me, you don't fear.
Mama,
play wine.
Let's go, you know they fear.
You won't fight me.
They come here. Maybe they fear you.
No, can't get the go.
You get boy here.
You get the go.
They fear cutlass.
You get the go.
You won't fight me. You won't fight me. Please don't fight me. Don't fight me, please. Hey, The mat. Hey! Come on. Hey!
No, I want them to.
I'll bet you.
Mama, no.
Nonsense. Nonsense.
Hey, no. Hey,
the
mat.
You must have me again. Give it to the mat.
Hey!
No, stay.
Hey!
Stay.
Hey! Don't touch Tiger Tail.
Don't quit Tiger
Tail. Tiger Tail.
I will beat you.
Tiger Tail. Hey! For this village.
Mad. Stay now.
Go on.
That says the one you picking up. That's the one you son.
I beg Mama go inside. They shout for my ear. Can I go inside?
Mama, go inside. Mama, beg, go inside. No business. Go inside. If that boy come back today, just go inside.
Obinna, what are you saying? That says the one son we are talking about. You know, all of us, we know that EZENWANYI doesn't joke with her son. What are you saying? What are you people doing? I'm in trouble, no? Hey, you even gave him a sand to eat. And then Tochukwu.
Ma, what I do, I'm small. Next time, if you try rubbish again, I go beat blood come out for your body. I'm not well, though. You don't whine. You no fear. Carry collapse come my papa house. Okay. What did they stop now? Mama, see. Mama, when me and my brother they about, would they do wrestling contest for? And they beat men where a big passer. You too small.
Mama, would they use and tell the chop? Would they use and tell the joke with that boy? If he say I join him, Peter, man, she will not know do road for the house. Mama, go inside. No, they tell me this.
You are a woman, oh. You are a woman. You are not supposed to fight him.
Mama, remaining, Mama. You see that he useless EZENWANYI. That woman supposed to jail, but now she did sick for this village. Make Friday rich, we cannot see my money. Make Friday rich first. Remain 2 days. Friday go land. We go observe ourselves. Who get power pass?
Neto, you are still talking.
Mama, go inside.
Let us bring down nonsense again according like this, sir. Oh, Suki, don't worry. Let us do more. Ha! Leave Ghana. This one. Hey, don't worry now. Don't worry. I mean, you look finished like this, bottom like this. Bottom, a whole Ezugo. Ezugo, nah, don't worry, you go hear from me now. I won't even know from my mother. Don't say no better than why I'm million. No worry. Mama, come out here. Because I cannot have somebody like you. And they thought you could actually make to play like this village. They don't let you man. They thought you one man, you want to do. Mama, I'm going to something down. I think for that Tochukwu, he can marry me or something. Because as I there like this now on the vessel, I don't go get a person like you. Let Tochukwu go carry me the play for this village. No, Mama, they got him now. They got that Zuko now. They got him wacky. Mama, they got him make girl, man. They got him make girl, man, Mama. Nah. Mama, it's not about that one. He ain't not back in. Say, I'm not going to have you for this village. Let Tochukwu go take me the play. They take me to do something. Do something, oh. I'm not going to get you for this village. Let Tochukwu go to play. They're going to work it. They're going to work it.
EZENWANYI Millie. EZENWANYI Millie. EZENWANYI Millie.
EZENWANYI Millie. Nabuku. Everyone, more than I told you, Mama, I trust you. I believe you.
Just take a look at your brother. Look at him. As big as you are. A woman beat you up and you came here to cry to us.
A woman.
Okay, that. Someone want to be like we can be. Bring out your muscle now. Come on, brother. Wait. What Neto beat you to hell? You mean Neto beat you up and you came back here ranting like a woman? Okay. Which one is sister? Everyone I know.
You be my real sister. I'm a real sister. I don't get a kind person for this village. Black or together for I pay for you. I will deal with you. Number one. Oh my God, I trust you. I believe you.
Mama, come on for road now. Please, you should come down. Keep going. Mama, let me beat her well. Mama, go out the way now. Let my sister beat her. Leave the road, Mama. You don't see him now. Mama, you don't make this guy they make. Mama, make I go beat this girl.
What are you shut up? Keep quiet.
For daring to lay your filthy hands on my son. For that, you shall bear the consequences.
Oh my God!
Never!
Oh my God!
Oh! What you do, my brother? You escaped this time. Next time, you won't be that lucky.
You're not fit. You don't.
Please, I beg you.
Uncle, what did they do? Come on for here. Strike me.
Strike
me.
Strike her now. Strike her, Mama.
Oh, Mama, strike her.
Mama.
Uncle, I don't like this now. Do you know?
Mama, strike her now.
Strike me. They're mad. Strike me now. They're crazy.
Please, don't back. What to be this one now, Mama? Strike her now. What will happen?
God punish you. They fear you. Strike me.
This fight is not ending anytime soon, though. Brother, you started it, though.
My body girl now. I'll kick you.
What is it?
I'll kick you.
What is okay? It's okay. You are mad, though. You see what is okay? Are you mad? Are you crazy? I thought you went there to fight. Did you not go there to fight? Just because you saw that useless hotel broke boy, you changed and started asking Mama to stop. Are you okay? What was that? If you say one word again, I'll use these slippers and slap you. You won't do anything.
Now just stay here, they make noise. Now see this one. See this one. Come, let's go and fight. Come, you don't get anything for body.
You, Uncle, what about you? Three of us were supposed to join hands and beat her. What did we do?
Come on, shut up there.
Us. Now where you there? Now where you there? Shame catch me.
Neto, what is your problem? 1 week, one trouble. Why did you fight her son when you know how dreaded and evil that woman could be? What's your problem? So you have forgotten so soon what happened at your father's burial, what she did?
Hey, Uncle, please. No remind me of how we go to that woman do for my papa burial. We don't beat her son, we say we don't beat her son. And nothing will happen because it's too much for EZENWANYI and her son in this village. We go run for them.
Oh, Lele, in your mind now a man is talking because of your sister, right? Listen to me. Igbo people say that isi kotebu obaya. Do you think that you people can withstand the fight when it starts?
Which fight won't start when we know if we stand? Uncle, we do on our own. Let's go carry war, come meet us. Don't be saying that we go meet him. Now he come meet us. Say he won't beat me. Say he won't fight me. Me. You don't forget, say, now military school I go. If don't be say I fight our general daughter, by now I for still the army. Now Russian soldier train me, I not well low. Only one blow, it go fall for ground. May I go ask question. If you try rubbish again, I go beat Sam. Make it come here again first. You go hear discourse. Nonsense.
I am surprised at you. Just pray that she accepts my apology. Because if fight erupts here, if you call me, I will not come out. How could you go and fight a family of demons?
Uncle, I know they pray anything. Anything when what happen, make it happen. Which one be say you won't go beg them? I say you message. Don't go beg them. They not gonna think say will they find their face. I not say you message yo. Make them bring what come. Will they wait? You think say will they fear? I know they fear anybody. EZENWANYI. Don't they fear them more. Oh.
My daughter. I want to know. Everybody see.
Don't go beg am, make she don't think say.
Don't
Go beg am.
Go beg am. No tell you.
I don't go.
And you saw my sister. She must pay. Mama, what is it again now? What is it? I beg, Mama, go inside. I beg, go inside. I don't go inside. No plan against Friday, sir.
I want to teach her a bitter lesson. I want to make her understand that I am the most dreaded. I am the evil. I am the good. Everyone fears and reverences me. She dared me. She dared me. Netochukwu dared me. I bring her to you, my great EZENWANYI. Let Netochukwu suffer. Let her know pain. Let her know loss. Make her life useless. Make her life worthless. Let her suffer financial failure. Let her suffer pain and sorrow. Let her suffer. She dared me. She dared me. She will have no peace. She will have no rest. Everywhere she faces, trouble and calamity shall follow her. Until she dies a miserable death. So shall it be. EZENWANYI, take over from now. I bring her and give into your hand. Take over. Take charge. Until you cripple her. So shall it be. He say.
Chidi, this shoe is not my size now.
What's happened?
Can't you see? Are you blind? It's not my size now.
I go tell you no say no be your size. You know say na 39 I measure you. Na 38 be this.
What do you mean now? You didn't even wait for me to tell you my size that day.
No be you cause am. Na you cause am now. You dey always dey in a hurry. I for my brain no function well like that day. It's nothing.
Chidi, but you measure my leg now. Why did you give me the shoe that is not my size?
Wetin go happen be say you go find tissue paper or newspaper. You go that long one, you go put am like 3 to 4 months. You go long, you go enter you.
Chidi, Chidi. So this is what you have to say because you have slept with me, Abi. Now after sleeping with me, this is what you have to say. Eh?
You dey so ungrateful. The day wey we do am, I wear clothes. You wear clothes. You dey so ungrateful. I don't service you finish. You come here, you are so ungrateful.
Chidi, so this is what you have to say, Abi. It's not your fault. I don't blame you at all.
Thank you.
Maybe it's because I've given you all the style you want, back and front, everything. That's why you are saying this now.
That missionary no there.
You sure it's not there, Abi? This shoe is not my size. It's not my size. Now why did you bring this shoe for me?
You go manage am.
Manage am?
You give me if you don't want am.
Give you what? You owe me one pair of shoe. Let me just tell you my mind.
It's nothing. You owe me 1 round.
I owe you no round. I'm not owing you anything. You owe me one pair of shoe.
1 pair of shoe, 1 round.
Go and collect it now.
No wahala.
Go and collect it.
You don't even sweet. The kid dey test water. For here.
Guy, nah. I no just dey happy, guy. My head dey blow. It's you. Nah, I no just dey. I no just balance like this. Wetin you dey talk? No be Neto. That small girl. Neto na. Him brother dey fear me. Obinna. I dey beat am black and blue. I dey ginger am.
Guy, calm down. I need to Chukwu they talk about. Omo, that girl na very big wrestler. Guy, calm down. That girl, I know I'm all the way from Aba. The girl they beat man woto. Make I tell you, wait. Make I tell you, if not being Papa, that girl for don't join wrestling nah. Come on.
Like this now, you don't vex me. Like this now, you don't beat me like to enter you. Which kind talk? Wetin dey cause all this one now? Now sorry they fear the girl. What be this one now?
Guy, not be you tell me say need to Chukwu beat you woto. Even carry some pull you from out. If they hear they talk about us, maybe say we no even get jazz. Guy, remember say your mama na EZENWANYI.
Obele, come on, shut up. You dey cap rubbish.
This guy na idiot. This guy na fool. See what in the talk.
Oh my.
See, nah, Ezugo, you for put me in corner. No, this guy knows sabi anything. You for put me for corner.
Nah, Spunk. You know, normal level now. I be say, I don't see am now. Now woman now. Wetin I want they do with woman now. Eh? Like the normal thing now. But you see, see that girl. See Obinna, him brother. I go beat two of them. I go see mend them now. You don't trust me again. I go see arrange them. No worry. No. No worry now. I need to go see collect for my hand. She go see collect well for my hand.
But that girl is strong. She don't be too one.
Okay, last. No, they talk that rubbish. Idiot.
I better go enter you.
Go run her. That girl, who be NATO?
Chidi, where the shoe I leave for here comot? I leave it for shop comot. Go bring money for madam. I come back, I no see shoe. Wait here.
Na me dey ask that question.
I don't understand. I leave it for shop. Leave shoe where client don't already pay for. Come back, I no see shoe. Where you keep the shoe?
Wait, na me you ready to ask that question? No, na me you ready to ask that kind of question. You smoke gum? Oku wan kill you.
Chidi, for shoe where person don't already pay for. Now you use and go toast woman. You don't go pass woman. Now woman use and go toast. Chidi, bring that shoe.
You don't really get respect.
Chidi, bring that shoe.
When they carry you come this shop, I think say you go get respect. You go get humility. No say I be your senior.
I know you follow each other. Bring that shoe.
You dey mad o.
Bring that shoe. Bring that shoe. Bring that shoe. Go on, bring that shoe. So because I don't, you say I can bring that shoe. I know you follow that. One, bring that shoe. Ewo. Bring that shoe. Bring it. You bring that shoe there. Where is it? You there. Because if madam brother, if you say you gonna be there, why? I don't even. Bring that shoe. You know.
What do you yarn like this? Shoe of 48,000 they miss from my shop. How? Onyeye. My shoe they miss. Hey. Make her they come shop. Where Chidi dey? No talk too much, I they come shop now. Make it not be what they think, oh. Make it not be what they think because I go beat person, oh. Make it not be what they think.
Your luck be say I get malaria and typhoid. Hepatitis they do me, I never take medicine. I get malaria.
Oga, you no get strength.
They can't beat you away for collecting here.
Shut. You no fit do anything.
I forbid you get that.
You no fit do. So because say you be madam brother, you think say you don't grab me. Because say you don't pass me. You think say na by size. You think say na by height. Oga, you go for me that shoot today. And check, you go for me that.
Union.
You go for me. You answer me. You go for me that shoot.
Union.
I dey follow you. You go for me that shoot. You don't do anything.
Hey. Person go die here. Oh. Union.
Give me that one.
I will not pay her a dime. And I order you not to give her any money.
Chioma, why do you always want trouble? Why? Let me pay her so that everything will be fine. Why do you want to have a problem with the little girl in my kingdom?
Ezeka, this is my fight. This is my fight. She dared me. Do you know what she did to my son? I will deal with her ruthlessly.
Why did you and your son go to fight her in her house? Both of you are causing trouble in this land. And if not because of the relationship, I won't be taking that rubbish from both of you. That girl is innocent. Let me pay her and everything will be fine. I want peace.
You will not tell me what to do, Ezeka. I do what I want to do.
I am talking Chioma.
I will deal with that girl. I will deal with her and I will not back down. Wait a minute. Why are you defending her? Oh, because she gifted you and your son? Or because you want her in your bed? Which of them?
Chioma, stop it.
I said stop it.
Dad. What is the matter?
Nothing.
Is everything all right?
Yes, nothing. Are you sure? I'm okay, thank you.
Don't tell me that thing. I don't want to hear them. If I tell you what I don't do today, fight when I don't fight, quarrel when I don't quarrel. If I tell you, you not going to understand. Where my shoe? Where you keep up?
Madam, I don't carry your shoe.
Not lie.
Madam, I don't even know the shoe where they talk about. The brand, I don't know. I don't carry anything. I don't know who they tell you I carry anything.
Not lie. Not lie, you carry the shoe. Chidi, I go break your head though. You don't use my business play, Abi. Where my shoe? Where you keep them?
Madam, I don't like you. You don't believe me. You don't listen to this girl. When she come, I'm waiting to know about shoe, waiting to know about brand.
Okay, you don't use my shoe, do love. Abi? You don't carry my shoe, take do love, Chidi.
Madam, if you look with you, nothing concern me, concern love. No, I don't even see love. Love not even see me. I don't see your shoe.
Who you dey like? If I don't see you when you jump enter bush.
We be family.
Eh?
We be family.
I go break your head though.
We be family.
What is the family with you? I then they use my business play. Where my shoe? You don't sell them, Abi?
Madam, na accusation be this.
Na lie.
It dey law.
Na lie. Just tell me say make I beat her now. I go beat her. You go see, you go talk through. You go talk where you drop that shit.
Just carry your head come close now. Calm your head go tire. You dey crazy. You know, Oga talk. Madam, you go kill me.
Get my shoe.
Madam,
get my shoe.
Na lie, never die. Beat her.
Go call union for me. You go sell. Call union for me. Say they follow you play.
We be family.
Who be family with
We be
you?
family.
Get my shoe.
We be family.
You don't sell them, Abi?
I know.
I go mash your head, though. You don't sell my shoe.
Baby. Stop. Stop.
What? Babe.
Stop.
Good night.
Babe. I'm sorry. Babe.
Why is she not taking my calls? Will she be with the prince? This is strange. Let me try calling again. No response. I think she might be with the prince. I see no reason why she's not taking my calls. This is the third time I'm calling her. Let me just go, I'm tired.
Fool. Your next word, dare me. Pah.
Chioma has refused to listen to me ever since this useless affair started. She has refused to obey me. She has refused to understand that I am the king of this great kingdom. How can she eliminate the life of such a young, talented girl? A fine craft of a girl. And I cannot speak to her to back down. I cannot. Why? It is said that when a man lost his word in the sight of a woman, the woman will make him even more useless. Chioma has rendered me useless in the sight of her. What will I do? What will I do? For her charm has engulfed me completely. Gods of our land, I should not have agreed to sleep with her. I should not have lowered my dignity.
Oh, kilikili ka na bu ko se na da ali enu. Oya si ko puri ya. Asi na agu uza agu onu. Oso mbada bi n'ugwu. Oh, kilikili ka na bu ko se na da ali enu.
I don't come for you. Hey! It don't be for you. It don't be for you.
Obin, I'm very sorry for what happened yesterday.
Look, there's no need of you being sorry or anything. Any other thing, because I'm going to work.
Obin,
Oh, Mima, I said stop calling me Obin. My name is Obin now. Stop calling me Obin.
Obin, why are you doing this to me now? Why?
Oh, Milima, why are you blackmailing me emotionally? Please, I'm running late to work. Okay?
Can I come and see you later?
Don't come. Please, don't come.
Please.
Please, I said don't come. I'm not looking like you carry basket and come to where I'm working.
Obin, I'm into you. I'll visit you. Obin, bye-bye. Obin, bye-bye.
Where you? Such they smoke your life through away. Useless only son, now you be. As you be, just look at your life. I'm ashamed of you. What are your mama? What did they call EZENWANYI? Tell them say this Friday they can't collect my money. If I come this Friday I don't see my money, I'm not gonna collect water from my hand. That one when I do you for my compound, it is small. It is small compared to what I go do you. You no fear. You gather morale. You come my papa ask you won't come fight me. You not ask questions. You not make inquiries who I be. I'm not be ordinary person, no. I'm not small. Tell your mama, if I come this Friday, I don't see my money, I go scatter her share and I go, heaven and earth go fall. You go see him. Nothing you sabi do your own to they smoke. What you want to do? You want puff am? Puff am. If they burn you, puff am. Puff am now. They won't whine. You puff am. Puffer. You the puffer.
That is a blatant lie. That is a very fat lie. You cannot tell me you saw Netochukwu. No.
I don't understand you, Mama. I don't understand. Why do they talk like this now? I think you start seeing Netochukwu for road. You tell me so. The girl blocked me for road. She even sent me a message when I can't give you. Say she they come tomorrow, will be Friday, can't collect the money where they are. Why do they talk like this now?
No, I don't believe you. It wasn't Netochukwu you saw. You cannot say her. It's not possible. Maybe you saw a spirit. But I don't know who you saw. Clear yourself well.
What did they stop for here? Mama, now. I don't demand. What did they...
Ask yourself. Because you smoke what I do not know. I dealt with that girl last night. I showed her Pepe. And what I did, no man, no mortal can undo it. You know your mother very well. She has come to this. Please, just get out. Maybe...
Mama.
You're getting blinded or something. I don't know.
I know they understand this one where they talk like this, so. I think it's Asine Tochukwu. That girl no die. She no die. That girl dey gala. She gala. No be. She don't even get like one. You know, nothing happened to her mama. They tell you something. They follow me. They yarn like this. Now, what did they solve for you?
What has come over you? No, what has come over you? What is your problem? Just leave my shrine. Just go.
Make I leave your shrine.
Yes, go.
Make I leave your shrine.
Stop it.
Mama, make I just clear you now. Eh? You see this one where they talk like this, eh? If that girl no die, if Netochukwu no die, mama, me and you, we go get problem for this house. See this house no go contain both of us.
You go get out.
This your shrine, mama.
Get out.
I no go allow you to do anything for you again, no. As it be now, I don't tell you. If Neto no die, me and you go get problem for this house. Maybe when he start that, they'll say, Ezugo don't do, Ezugo this one, Ezugo that one. I don't tell you my mind though. Buy that gear now, buy him now, or else.
Yes, again.
I'm going to get now.
How is that possible? What happened?
My princess, my son has gone to work. Hope there is no problem.
Oh, no. There is no problem at all.
Really?
Yes, I would like to know where he works now.
Oh. It's okay. He works at Alanka.
Alanka?
Yeah.
Alanka? The popular Alanka hotel?
Yes. I ask again. Hope there is no problem.
No. There's no problem.
It's okay if you say so.
What is happening here?
How?
Where is your daughter?
My daughter? She has gone to the shop. Any problem?
Hold on. You mean Netochukwu has gone to her shop?
Yes. Any problem? EZENWANYI, please. I don't like this problem. I don't like it. Why don't you want to give my daughter her money? Eh? Please try and give her her money now. That's her business money. You and I know very well that you are above that money. Why are you wasting time to give her the money?
You mean to tell me that EZENWANYI's son raped your sister?
Yes, my prince, according to her.
Young lady, who did you say raped you?
Ezugo, his praise raped.
Ezugo again. Ezugo! Guards! Go to EZENWANYI's house. Tell her son, Ezugo, to present himself before me in this palace with immediate effect. Run! Not again. Not under my watch, father. No way.
Son, take it easy. Young lady, calm down. The boy will join us soon.
Okay, my king.
Ezugo! Is there nobody in this house? Or plant in house?
Uche, who does this now? Who does that nonsense? What be this one? What did they say? Who would that be? What did they happen now?
Ezugo, you are needed at the palace by the prince. Move it.
Any problem?
You're not supposed to answer that stupid question. Move it.
They crazy. Shut up! I mean, they ask stupid questions for my own caban.
Be welcome.
I'm going to tell you.
Be welcome. Look, it's either you quietly politely and humbly follow us, or are you both okay?
Yes, now.
Go against you.
They're crazy.
You say?
I'm like, come on,
Okay,
don't
move.
try nonsense.
I say, move it. I na ga baby I can't come.
Oga, you see both of you.
On a normal. On a normal.
Go enter both of you. Wait now.
So you still dey chop? You still get mind dey chop? You get mind carry shoe comot, you no wan return the shoe abi? See, man tell you, I dey follow you talk, you dey do am that thing. Man tell you, if you no bring that shoe, you no see your phone. Me, I go tell madam say make no give you that phone again. If you no bring that, I dey follow you talk, you dey do am that thing, you dey crazy.
You never reach 2 years for here, oh. You never reach 2 years for here, you challenge me.
Who you be one no go challenge you? See, you see that shoe, if you no bring her come out, you no see your phone collect. That fine girl wey you dey toast, you no go see phone wey you go use call her. Na promise I dey promise you. You no see her, you no do anything. You no say anything wey I tell madam na she go help me do. You know that one. You no do anything.
I go bet you. I go bet you. You don't I go bet you. I go.
You no fit do anything. Man tell, wait, I dey follow you talk, you dey talk. Come on, give me that very case. Come on, give it to me. Be like say your sense, you don lost. You no see food chop for this shop until you bring that shoe. Na promise. Wetin you want to? Oga, comot for road, jare. See, you see say customer dey say I wan at ten d to customer. Comot for road. Comot for road.
No! 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 This is not possible. How did this happen? Ezemili! Ezemili! Omumili! How? Tell me how? No! She's alive! She is alive! No! How? No, how? You people cannot disappoint me. You cannot do this to me. No. After all my bragging? After all my bragging that I have power? Ezemili! 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 Ezemili!
You mad? You stupid. So you insane. Now listen to me. Did you rape this young girl? Answer me.
Please, you just slap me. You slap me for what I not do. Why you slap me? She tell you say I rape her. Will you stop that, son? Calm down.
Calm down. You stupid. Who are you? No, remind me. Who are you in this kingdom?
Abiezu. Nwanyi mmiri's only son. Na a chieftain says she n'ime mmiri. Our only son. Ezugo Odogwu. I am.
You must be very, very stupid. Guards! Lock this fool. This perv. Lock him up. No food. No water.
Kimba.
Father, please. Get me the keys. Here. Now.
So is this how you're going to
World Kingdom, please. Father, don't tell me how to handle things, Father. This is a youth affair and not elders. Please, I beg you, allow me to handle this. That boy must be taught a lesson of his life. Madam, please, I beg you. The doctor is on his way to this place. You can go home. I will direct him to you. But be rest assured that that boy, that Pav and his gang, they must face the full wrath of the law. I promise you.
Okay, my prince. Please do this.
Father, please. Please.
Greetings, my prince. I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were here, but I just have to do this. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to fall on you. But I can be anything you want me to be. You know. Can make you happy. Can make you relax your mind, your nerves.
Get out! Are you mad? I said out! Hey!
Sorry.
If you ever try this nonsense you just did, I will have you out of this palace.
Of course, my prince.
Get out!
I'm sorry.
You came here for now. You have no right to do what you just did. I am still alive. And I am the king. You don't rule by emotions. You don't.
Father, with all due respect, what is it that EZENWANYI is giving to you that makes you always cover her bad sides? This is her son we are talking about. Last month, a woman complained that he bullied, molested a young lady, her daughter. Instead of you to give the true judgment, what did you do? You ruled in his favor. Same month, another person presented a case. What did you do? You dismissed all of them. Few weeks ago, someone complained how this stupid boy invaded a house, made away with a pot of soup, bullied the family, all in the name of being EZENWANYI's son, or whatever, I don't care. Today we have another one. A rape case. I stepped in because I've always known that you will rule in his favor. And the boy had the temerity to stand before me and refuse to speak. I reacted. And what did you call my reaction? I am being emotional. Oh no, father. Well, newsflash. I will rather be emotional than allow this one to slide. I will not. I will hand the boy over to the appropriate authorities. I will tell them I will present facts, evidence to show that he is a known criminal in this kingdom.
Can I have a key to the cell?
Father, I will not. I will not hand them to you. And for the records, if that boy is been set free, you will not like my actions.
I am the king and not you.
I am the prince. Yes. I am.
Kimefuna, can I have the keys?
No way. I will not give it to you.
Kimefuna, can I have the key?
Keep your hands off me. What is this? I can't do this with you.
But I want you. Listen, I want you for myself. Just take me. You can have me. Take me.
I can't have you. You belong to the prince.
Name your price. And I'll pay you. Pay you in cash and in kind. What do you want?
Oh my God.
How much do you want?
You know you're royalty.
I know.
What do you want from me? Is this a setup or something? God forbid. should not have anything to do with you. You belong to the prince.
I want you. And I must have you. I'll let you go today, but take your time and think about me.
Please, I don't want you. Just leave me alone. Hey, what does she want from me? Oh God. Royalty? This must be a setup.
I don't understand. What do you mean by you want the shoe back?
No be your size now. I give you undersize. So that undersize now, you need to return and make I give you new one.
What for for what? What do you mean? I don't understand. Explain.
What can be what for? I'm not good with the same thing with the talk here. I give you 32. I supposed to give you 35. Big. I can't give you 32 small. So no be your size. Return them. Until na Fendi, you they like Gucci, I give you Fendi. Return them, make I give you new one. Case closed.
Chidi! Chidi! So you think I should trust you? Eh? If you give me the new one, I will carry this one within my hand, carry and give you. So make I carry this one and give you when I never see the new one, Abi. Eh? Go bring that one and come, then I will give you this one.
What did they talk like this now?
I beg, please, Chidi. See, don't try this nonsense again. Don't try this way you just talk again.
Give me shoe when no be your size. Make I give you the one will be your size. You know about it, baby. My phone don't go. My phone. My madam hold my phone. This girl hold my shoe. 2 cents in one. Hey, this girl don't fool me. I be an fool.
Okay. Madam say give money, go buy food for her.
No, you no go just come tell me say madam say make you give her. You go talk am with respect. I be your senior boy for this company. I be your head boy. You no go be the misbehave anyhow. You dey craze.
Come.
Ogu dey kill you.
You don't mind. Say don't pass me, oh. Forget height, oh. I go beat you. Give money, go buy food for madam.
Oga, you go tell me, madam say make I give you money. Say she dey hungry. Out of my own negligence. Hey, make I not just speak English. You go give me that money, I be no give me. Make I not just speak English.
You go give me the money, I be no give me.
It's nothing.
Come on, give me money. Stand up.
You want naked me?
Yes. Eat. Eat it. Eat it, my dear. And immediately join your father on the other side. Yes, eat. Let me see how you're going to survive this one. Eat. Eat it well. Eat.
Mama!
Mama, what is this? Why are you distracting me?
Ha! Mama, you are here and the entire kingdom is burning down.
Why? Why is it burning? What is going on?
Your son has been arrested.
What? What did he do again?
Him and his friends raped a girl. And the prince is very serious about it. Mama, Ezugo has spoiled things for me. Oh. He has spoiled things for me. Just imagine. I'm still struggling for the prince to notice me. Here he has spoiled everything for me. You needed to see the way he yelled at me and asked me to leave his presence.
I am going to the palace now.
Ezugo, after all my efforts, how could you?
Your Majesty, I want my son to be released with immediate effect.
Your son raped a minor. That's an abomination. He has confessed. He is in the cell with his friends. I mean, his cohorts.
My prince, I wasn't talking to you.
You know, it baffles me the way you speak to my father and Onowu, the second in command of this great kingdom, with such audacity. EZENWANYI, you and your family have caused this great kingdom more harm than good. Yes, and I know my father here have been shielding you all this while.
My prince, you have to be careful with your words. You do not know me. You do not know what I have done for this great kingdom. Maybe you were here, your father has not told you how I saved this great kingdom from a plague that destroyed our neighboring kingdoms. I paid my dues. Therefore, you do not have any right to imprison my son.
EZENWANYI.
My prince.
You have lost your prowess. The good things that you used to do, you stopped doing them a long time ago. Do you think the gods and the goddess of our river, which you claim protect us, are still with you?
Okay, but that's enough.
Father, let me speak to her. Who do you think you are in this kingdom? My father seated here is the #1 citizen of this great land. The king of this land, and you owe him a great respect and loyalty, no matter the amount of dues you think you've paid.
Apologies, my prince.
Better.
Your Majesty, I want my son out. I shall visit the victim and we shall settle everything amicably.
And I say no to that. The government have to step in.
I said enough. EZENWANYI.
Your Majesty.
Your son shall be set free. And that is final.
Igwe.
You must be able to express yourself to people in a manner that does not connote violence. That I don't want to hear from you anymore.
Help me!
Neto. Drink.
Papa, I thought you were dead.
Drink. You will be fine.
Hey! Hey! So na poison I chop? Na poison I chop for dream? This is the wine. He don't try to attack me for real life, it no work. Now she come meet me for dream, come poison my food. If not be my papa where come save me, that's why I for just die you. I for go just like that. Ah, no now. EZENWANYI, you don't shit for church. No now. I dey come for you, EZENWANYI. It don't be for you. Eh? You won't kill me. On top of my shoes where you carry. Give me shoes, you say no. Give me my money, you say no. You want to kill me. On top of my own property. You no go walk, oh. You no go walk. Hey. Don't go for my papa, oh.
Nah, Mama, again, now. What is happening now? Eh? Mama, Prince slapped me. Oh. Prince, he came slap me. Mama.
He will sleep tomorrow and not wake up. That I can assure you. I pity his father who will end up not having an heir.
Now you are talking. EZENWANYI. Kalesia.
He dared me. He challenged me. Therefore, I will deal with him. Yes. I will deal with him without mercy.
Yes.
I will show him power. And I will show him fire.
I trust you, Mama. I trust you, EZENWANYI. To see everything.
Mbemo. I want to lumbe to lokokoloya.
To accord.
When it's called Bureya. And Obure what he forget.
Oh.
And what he forget.
Oh. Ah. Namo. Namo. Odogwu Jalija.
You click on a book was another.
At all.
Ezimez in the miri. Ndegede. Onye si ka ọ bụrụ ya. Ogbu onye mgbe ndị na-asọ ya ụsọ. Asị m na ga-egbuoro m prince. Go and kill the prince. Bring him down. I want him to regret in death. Let him die. Let him fall and die. Wherever he is right now, then may get Kutonia. Go and bring him that, cripple him. Let him die. Die. Cripple him. Let him die. Yeah, more. Yeah.
Mama Ada, it shock you, Abi? It shock you? You see, my gene, it is very strong. My blood, they know they touch him. We pin, no leave, no transfer. You see that rubbish where you do? You call my shop, God do nonsense with me, no try him again. And not be easy me so that they swallow. You know if you swallow me. No try him again. If you try that nonsense again, I swear to God, it go be for you. I know well, though. Don't try him again. You say you go fit kill me. You know fit. Who are you? My name is Neto Chukwu. I dey worship and praise God. I'm not at the same level with you. You see all this nonsense what you do, I know they do am. You dey feel me? Not try that rubbish again. If you try am, I swear to God, you no go like wetin I go do you. And quick reminder, tomorrow na Friday, as agreed, I dey come collect all my money for my shoes. If I no see my money, I go squeeze you like bitter leaf. I go swallow you. You dey feel me? You go know say I pumpy. Say I no dey easy. The God, make una bear witness o. Now they hear me. I don't want am o. You be my witness. Your gods they hear me. So that when I go do you strong thing, nobody go ask me question. Make I warn you. I'm not small o. If I come tomorrow, you no give me my money, your gods go run leave you. You dey feel me? Sassy open eye like cat where they don't get to see fish, where no see fish chop. Mugu.
What is going on? What is happening? That people do not want to answer me. Is anything I'm not doing right? Is it that I'm not saying it right? People have to answer me. Ezemili. Ezenwanyi. Answer me. Answer me.
Father, how are you feeling?
Ezenwanyi, what's the meaning of this? Talk to us.
My prince. Oh no, please excuse us. I need to talk to the king in private. Please excuse us. You foolish king. Why will you accept what is not meant for you? This thing was meant for your son. Now there is nothing I can do about it. Absolutely nothing. You have to die, my love. You have to die. So this is how you ended your own life. My love, thank you very much for
making sure I did not go to jail.
Oh, why could I have allowed you to go to jail when you have somebody like me? It's my duty to make sure that you're protected in and out of his kingdom.
Thank you very much. And I promise never to harm or hurt anyone again. And I promise to obey and respect your orders. And trust me, I will always be here for you.
Yeah, I know that. I've always known you to be a loving person. But please, do not take any person to the river, or you won't go deeper so they don't get drowned again. I'm begging you.
You know, that particular one, they needed that soul and there was nothing I could do about it. And I didn't have to tell him because I had no other choice. I had to do what EZENWANYI Emily wanted. Let's forget about the past and enjoy ourselves. What are we here for? Is it not to catch phone?
Yeah, is it? Come on.
Oh, my prince. How is my father?
Listen, is our king going to be fine?
Answer him.
I shall try my best.
Yes, you will try your best. Because the doctor said there is nothing wrong with my father. So this is spiritual.
I know. That is why I said I shall try my best.
Indeed.
I take my leave now.
EZENWANYI, EZENWANYI, Okemo, EZENWANYI, Onyike, Onyike, EZENWANYI, EZENWANYI, Okemo,
EZENWANYI, where you there? I am ready for you. Let's play the game together. Come here, you're mad. Where you there? EZENWANYI. You don't fear, you come my house, EZENWANYI. I swear, if I see you again, your blood go flow, you dey mad. EZENWANYI.
Neto. Where are you going with the machete?
Mama, I want to go find EZENWANYI. I want to kill him. I want to cut her with this cutlass. She come this house. No, not a dream. I know what I see. I saw her. That woman no fear. She get morale. Come my room. Mama, now she they owe me. Now she see they disturb my life. I know well, I go. If I catch that woman, her blood go full everywhere, Mama.
You mean EZENWANYI entered this?
She entered this place.
Hey, how?
She entered and won't misbehave. Witchcraft. I go kill him. I go buy him. Her blood go flow. Oh, Mama, not the way they hold me.
Let's go.
Mama, leave me.
Oh, no, let's go.
Mama, see,
Let's go inside.
Wait, go inside. Just go inside, they come.
No, let's go inside.
I need to treat this woman fuck off.
No, please. Just pity me. I see your mother becoming.
Can't winch be this. Go appear, give me the misbehave.
Because,
Mama, warn that woman though.
I will warn her.
Make she not enter this place again.
Don't worry, I will talk to her.
Because I swear to God with my life, if I catch that woman again for this house, I'm not going to hear this cause. Her blood, dead body go surplus, her blood go full everywhere.
She will not come
But
again.
she not try me, oh.
She will not come again, I promise you.
Mama, I know it in See, my spirit they tell me say that woman. Just go inside, make I go treat her for
No, now. I can't go inside without you now. Huh? Let's go now.
No, leave the cutlass. Make her deal with them. Make her deal on guard. So if you come again, you don't cut her.
I need 2 human heads, a boy and a girl. You have my powers. Go get them for me.
and meet me at the riverbank. You know what to do. The children will be playing under the moon.
EZENWANYI, why na? The last assignment wey be say you give us, we don't deliver, come back, but you no pay us. Why? Now you want send us to a new one. It no make sense na, guy, reason na.
My children, just go this one. After this one, I'll pay you for everything, Obele. Spunky, talk to him.
Obele, calm down now. Relax.
Obele, like this, you don't detest me.
Number the need the funds.
I dey talk, you still dey talk. Abi? I dey talk, you still dey talk. EZENWANYI, they talk of sacrifice. Very important thing. Sacrifice where she go take the lead and Tochukwu and that stupid prince he came from this earth. You dey yarn nonsense, I go enter you. Man, no enter you.
Let's go, calm down.
Mama.
Why are you shouting? Please, go. I don't have time. I need to do this sacrifice before sunset tomorrow. Please. Because after this one, Tochukwu will be deleted off this earth.
Confirm.
After this great sacrifice, I must pull her down.
Confirm.
She and Prince Ikem will be off this world.
Confirm.
Ikem will join his father, wherever he is.
Nah.
So go.
This last one.
Obele, calm down now.
This last one.
Where are you coming from? I came to your room. You were not there.
I was with your father, my love. It's okay. Your father will be fine. This phase shall pass. Be fine. I want you to be strong for the kingdom. Come here. Come here, baby. You'll be fine. Everything will be fine.
No, wait. I see no reason why you should go to my boss and tell her that you want me. As what? Or is it because you are a princess? No. See, the one that hurts me more that she told me to comply with you. I will not do that. I will not do that. Definitely you know I will not do that. Please. And I will not entertain your call by this time of the night any other day. Thank you very much and good night. Rubbish.
Who be that?
Nobody. What are you doing with Cutlass?
Yeah, Obina. I hope not be EZENWANYI daughter now you dey talk to. Because I swear, if I find out say you get anything to do with that girl Ajay, you go to hate me. Do you hear me?
Where are you going with Cutlass by this time of the night?
They come.
No go to EZENWANYI shrine, no. Neto. And what am I on?
Father, I'm sorry to disappoint you with my decisions. I'm truly sorry. You know I love you so much. Keep fighting. You've always been a fighter. Fight and stay alive. Fight.
My father, I attack, I destroy, I scatter every evil against me. Anybody planning evil against me, against my business, I destroy that person in the name of Jesus. EZENWANYI, whenever you hold your meeting because of me, in the waters, in the air, in the sea, in the covers, I don't want to know. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. I scatter you, I destroy you in the name of Jesus. I use you to knock ground in the name of Jesus. I rebuke you. I use your head, EZENWANYI, to hit wall in the name of Jesus. You know if you do me anything, no. It's a touch not my anointing and do my prophet no. I mean, not going to do me anything. I stand getting back. I know they fear you because I get God by my side. I rebuke you. I destroy you. Die, 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 die in the name of Jesus. Amen.
EZENWANYI, EZENWANYI, okemo. EZENWANYI, onyike, onyike. EZENWANYI, EZENWANYI, okemo, okemo. EZENWANYI, ebo, onyike. See the evil priestess over the land. Whatever she wants is what she will get. Do not stand on her way. If you dare her, nkeke bomekwe. EZENWANYI, ahe, okemo. Akalamara, akalamwa. EZENWANYI, ijelenwanyi yo. Onyike, onyike. EZENWANYI, EZENWANYI, okemo. EZENWANYI, ebo.
Emily, what are you doing to me? Nne, what are you doing to me? You want that girl to defeat me. You want that little girl, that brat, to disgrace me. I am the most powerful EZENWANYI in this kingdom. I am indestructible. Everyone fears and reverences me. Even the king obeys me. Why will I not defeat that girl? Why? No, tell me why. Why is that girl taking her hands into my eyes? I need answers to my questions. No, answer me. EZENWANYI, Emily, answer me. Why? My plan failed last night. Everything I did last night to bring her down, all of them failed. The prince is untouchable. Netochukwu is untouchable. No! Why? No, why? That's why, Emily, I am asking you. Answer me. Give me answers to my question, Nne. Answer me!
I greet you.
Where is the money?
The 50,000 naira for.
Yes.
Yes.
Put it here. This is for the sacred soap, right?
Yes.
So?
I've made a transfer of 50,000, the balance, in your account.
When my daughter gets it, she will let me know.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you have to go. Come back in the next 3 hours. I'm not in a very good mood right now. EZENWANYI, I don't dare lenient with you enough. I'm not gonna pity you again. The Friday when I tell you say I go come, don't pass, stay there. I even dash you extra days. I have come for my money. Where my money? Which I mean, and then they follow you to that nonsense. So where my money?
If you don't live here now, I will make you to go to the other side of the world. Are you mad?
You go make me go the other side of the world. Be like this side they follow you play. Wait. This side they follow you play, Abi? You think that they follow you play? Okay. Okay. I go burn your shira and you go see and go clear for your eye.
How dare you?
You're mad. Where my money? Where my money? I go burn this place now. Where my money? Here she go. This how they follow. I don't see money. I don't package this one. I don't say anywhere where you there hear my voice. I go come again for my money, and if I come this time, I swear, now your dead body will carry come on for this place. You go see him. You think they follow you play, Abi? EZENWANYI. Okay, you go see him. I am asking you, what kind of a mother are you? You don't support me in anything I do. I told you that I love the prince, that I want him for myself. Mama, you have what it takes. You have all it takes for crying out loud. Give me one of your best charms to hold him down. But you vehemently refused. So I am asking you, Mama, what kind of a mother are you? Wait, is it that you do not want me to become queen beside him? You don't want me to rule this kingdom by him? I am asking you, Mama.
Adamiri, you are a fool.
Call me whatever you like, Neku fool. Call me a fool, Mama.
A big fool.
A big one, yes.
You know where the charm is. Go and take it and hold him down. Must I give it to you?
You have to give it to me. It's your duty to give it to me. Call me a fool, mother. A big one, yes, I accept. It is not a crime to be in love. Mama, guess what? The king is dead. What? Yes. You heard me. The king is dead. He died in the early hours of today. And guess what? The prince will be crowned king after 7 days, which you already know. Mama, this is one thing that I begged you to do for me. Now, that ugly thing is going to stand by him as a queen to rule this kingdom. Mama, please don't let this happen. I am begging you. Did you enough?
Have you not heard?
What?
Can't you hear the sound of Ikoro?
Your presence will be needed highly in that place. Please, let's hasten our feet to that place.
I am with you.
Please be fast.
Hebo hebo oyolima neto chukwu neto chukwu nwanyi bụ ike she's stronger like a man you know fit pull am down.
No, I know fit be na. Neto chukwu.
Wetin dey talk na? How far? Your man don't run the juju again. Wetin dey sup? We suppose don't bring this girl down now na. Wetin dey sup?
Ezugo, may we beat this girl, may we follow this girl up, may we beat her, may we attack her. We be need to chukwu now.
Come on, guy, calm down. You know see the bag wey say she carry. You know wetin dey inside that bag? You dey talk no go attack her. What if she come bring gun out and call?
No, fuck go up at this one. No,
guy.
Nah, mommy fuck mama.
Ezugo, what did happen to Ezugo, guy? I see the guy with a beat her down here. See this small girl now, I'm supposed to.
Choi! Chewere fifeje. Miriam finanya. The great tree has fallen. Iguana.
According to our tradition, in 3 days' time, his remains shall be brought to the river. Every son of the soil, every daughter of the soil shall come to the river to mourn him. You shall come bearing your gift. No market will open and no business will open. This kingdom will be completely silent for these 3 days, for our hero has fallen.
It is not a must that the villagers will assemble at the riverbank to mourn my father.
My prince, it is a tradition.
Tradition for those that worship Iyi, our great river. We have Christians among us and also pagans.
Everyone is expected to honor our tradition, whether Christian or not.
EZENWANYI, we are not going to deprive people of their rights to religion. Please, EZENWANYI, I am not here to banter words with you.
EZENWANYI, please, try and understand.
My love, it is fine. I'll be here with you. All right?
My prince, sorry, oh. This news shocked me, oh. I hear say our Igwe dey sick, but I don't know say the thing dey serious like this. Sorry, oh. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Accept my condolence, oh.
Thank you.
You get anything when I go fit do for you, like...
There is nothing else you can do other than just face it.
Ah, my princess.
I want to be left alone with my man. Don't you have other things to do? Have you suddenly gone jobless? Don't you have shoes to protect?
Make I clear you, you no go tell me make I come out for this place, oh. This kingdom not be your own, not be your place be this. Now why you go die, so now our kingdom be this. Shut up too. You're mad.
How dare you talk to me in such manner? Listen, let me tell you. I am going to be the queen of this kingdom someday and rule with this man. So mind how you talk to me.
Adora.
Get out. My love, put her in her place. This is all your fault.
I'm really sorry.
What?
My prince, no wahala. I don't talk the thing when you carry me come. Make I dey go. Next time you call me till the guy go shook hand for your eye. They mad.
You're silly.
Neto.
My prince. No vex, sir. The thing yakba for her eyes. I say make I help am. Clear am. Make sure for the sea road well. And no pama.
Did you see that? Did you see that? Baby!
No, nah, Mama, no, nah. No, nah. How can this happen? Mama, after everything we went through, after all the sacrifice, all the risk, you allow Neto Chukwu to still be alive. Mama, what is this up now? I don't understand this one now.
I am not saying I allowed her to leave. I said something is shielding her against my powers. I don't know what that power is. There's something is blocking me from attacking her.
So, Mama, what about my own? I mean, what about mine?
To God, we make two of us. Not be say you dey fire, for don't enter you. You dey crazy. You dey meant. You dey talk of serious matter here. You dey talk nonsense. Eh? You know how to deal with the Netochukwu. Netochukwu, you know what that girl do me? Eh? That girl ban me. She enter me with warm nanny. Because see your brother. See, if you talking about marrying the prince again, now go enter you where? You dey crazy? Well, now, Mama, now I've got something because I will go take run this thing now.
Adamiri. Adamiri. Don't let me curse you. Do not allow me to cast a spell on you. I am talking about the ultimate sacrifice to do to bring that girl down. To bring that useless idiot, that useless Netochukwu down. At least to restore my glory. And here you're talking about one stupid prince. A dying prince. Don't dare me. Don't even dare me. What do you see in that man? In that useless thing? What did you see in him? Are there no other men in this community? Eh?
Mama, I bet you people should wait. You people should just wait. We all have our mission, right? Every man to his or her agenda. I am speaking for myself. My mission is to become the queen of this kingdom. Whereas both of you want Netochukwu dead. So how is your problem supposed to be mine? I'm speaking for myself.
You gotta walk in now.
Look at you.
Enter me now.
You want to marry the prince?
You did not enter Netochukwu, but it's me that you want. Enter me now.
You just want to go and wear black and mourn him.
Enter me.
So
Mama,
as it will be record that you married him.
I want to be your woman. I want to have you all to myself forever.
Mary, I want you to stop coming to my office to look for me. I have someone I love.
Obina, why are you doing this to me? Tell me, who is that person superior to Mirima, the daughter of EZENWANYI? Tell me!
You don't need to know.
Obina, you want me to use my family power on you? Do you?
Hey, family power. You should know me better now. Hope you know my sister. You know myself. So you know that all those your mother, water spirit, all those things, all those Fanta and Coke things doesn't work for our family. You should know that.
I see Mirima has grown very soft, but do not unleash the demon in me. Else, you will regret ever rejecting me.
Mirima, enough of this meeting. I think that's all. You can go. Carry the camera, go. That's the end of this meeting.
I am going nowhere, Obina. Yes.
I'm going nowhere. Okay.
Obina, if I don't have you in this kingdom, nobody will.
Wait for your kingdom there.
Obina, come back here. Come back here, Obina. Come back here. Can you imagine?
Where is she?
Who be there?
Where is that thing, that lunatic? Where is she? Where is she hiding?
We no get lunatic for our house. Everybody here to collect.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Where is Neto?
She don't come out. She go Abba. She go carry tools.
Where is your mother?
She know the sugar. She go buy vegetable.
Listen. Tell that thing to stay away from my man. She's of no class. I am royalty. And do you know what that means? Else, I'll put her in a place of no return. Excuse me.
Now, wow.
My love, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. Yeah, I bought food for you.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I have to go back to the shop. You know your sister. Let me go back to the shop here. I'll see you later.
I will call you once I get to the office, okay?
Very important. Okay, now.
Come.
Yeah,
Okay.
go.
All right.
So let me watch you.
See you.
See you later.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
My girlfriend, Princess Adora, is cheating on me.
That's not true, my prince. I don't think so.
I am yet to find who the boy is.
My prince, are you being serious here?
I'm serious. I'm not joking.
Women, after everything you are doing for the princess, why would you do such a disgusting act?
Drink, my friend. Drink.
My dear, I know you are getting promotion very soon, but I can make it unsuccessful. You know, I hate it when people deny me of what I want. Yes. Oh no, you cannot. You know why? I bought shares with the company you're working with. I bought them in millions. So I am now your new boss. And you must do as the boss says. Baby boy, you are stressing me. I'll talk to you later.
Hello? Princess, what is the meaning of all this? You want my boss to fire me or accept your proposal? No, I don't understand. What makes you think life is all about you? Huh? You know how much I've worked to get to this place? See, Princess Adora, wait, let me talk to you. Wait, excuse me. Oh God, what am I going to call this? What is the meaning of this?
My darling king, my love, come here, baby. How are you? How do you feel?
Oh, you don't speak with your father.
Yes, baby.
How is he?
Everyone is sad. But babe, I expected you to defend me in presence of that nothing, that nature of a girl. My love, I do not ever want to see her in this palace again. Please.
I'll be having a meeting with my kinsmen.
All right. I love you, baby.
I'll be inviting you to the crucial meeting
crucial meeting. But I'll not be elder now. I'll not be anybody for this community.
I know what I'm doing, okay? The meeting will be tonight, and I want you to be there. I'll give you a call, and please don't say no.
Tonight? Hey! I don't get confused. What do I want to go talk for there?
It's alright. So how is business? I mean...
Business, they fine though. I said I go thank you, sir. 4 of your friends order for shoes. I don't almost make their shoes finish. Don't worry, I will give you your cut.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I don't need a cut, okay? It's alright. I'll see you tonight, okay?
Okay.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Prince!
Our
Prince, I'm what if?
Our prince!
It's not there. It's too good to get Prince maybe client. You know, he's understand? Prince, you're gonna buy
you go make shoe. Ah, Mama, forget. You
gonna leave me? Mama, I go keep this guy for here. Mama, man no lie. Prince fine, man. I fine man. Imagine say you can't wear queen clothes. You go fine tie at the tech. I go punch you.
Chidi,
I go punch you.
You see you, eh? You see you. Your eye no dull. You think I don't say you dey razzle my elder brother? You think I know they see you?
Madam, forget that one, but I dey tell you truth. You know say you be fine woman, not just na money na.
Go make shoe, go inside. Go learn your shoe where you dey. Put eye down for shoe. Leave man o. Give me that hammer, make I start from where I stop.
Wait, Mama. I want to understand what's in the shop for you. You mean Netochukwu enter your shrine, go collect money?
Yes, this morning. That is why I'm still wondering why she's still breathing, why she could still walk around alive. I don't know why. Maybe we did not know that.
But Mama, I don't think it's possible. To be honest, there is nobody in this entire village that has such balls. No courage, Mama. What are you even saying?
Ha! Mama, this is an insult too. But for the sake of Obina, her brother, please forgive her.
For the sake of Obina, how Mama gone now? I will slap you in the face. We don't talk better to you, they talk of Obina. The way you can love. No vex me here. No vex me for it because I will slap you now.
This one is dying for the prince. This one is dying for Obinna. For the sake of her brother Obinna. Who is Obinna?
See, Mama. Let's say we go sacrifice her. We go use this useless girl do sacrifice. So
she's going to be the ultimate sacrifice.
Now what you go do? Because I don't understand this one.
No, I will cut off your head. But for now, let me finish attending to this crucial matter. Then I'll come back to you.
Mama, did I say anything bad? Did I?
See the talk. See the talk. The talk. You see the talk. Which kind of younger sister you be? Did you say anything? See, no vex me. Because if I slap this your face, you go enter your back. No vex me. You talk better thing here. They carry you carry love. They enter am. See this kind of stupid. See, no vex me.
The funniest thing is that the said Obinna hates you so much. He hates you as much as he hates Mama. Is it that you have chosen to be stupid and foolish at the same time? Or you are mad? Which of them?
He doesn't hate me. He doesn't hate me.
And the prince likes you.
Mama, my own is better.
He doesn't like you. You're forcing yourself on him.
Who is forcing
Both of you are the same.
Both
of you are the same thing.
It cannot be the same. We are talking about the prince. We are talking about the prince, Mama. It will be a prestige for me to settle with the prince. Who is Obinna?
My love.
Aha!
How is this possible? Tell me how. If my charm could kill the Igwe, who is this common shoemaker that I cannot take down? Who is the prince? Why are things happening this way? No. I can see this clearly. If I allow the prince to continue like this in this kingdom, he will either change the culture of this kingdom or banish me out of this kingdom. But I still arrest my son for his previous bad behaviors. Yes. Chioma, you need to do something. You need to do something before you get troubled with soap inside the water. Hey, there is a chance he could wicked me. Yes. Hey, my way. This death was not meant for you. That death was meant for your son. Hey, who will defend me? Now, who will defend me from all these attacks? Yes, I need to journey to the land of the Yorubas. I need to go and see great men to collect greater power to deal with Netochukwu and this Prince Ikem Anito.
EZENWANYI, EZENWANYI.
I'd rather quit my job than to do what you asked me to do.
Are you mad? Who the hell do you think you are? You rotten man. You have the guts to speak in front of me? Hey, what's your problem? What is the call of your problem?
Princess, you slapped me. I quit this job.
Every man has a price. Name yours.
I don't have a prize with you.
I'll give you 5 million naira and a brand new car.
Oh my God, I don't want you.
I want you. Don't you have respect for royalty?
That is the more reason I don't want you. You are a royalty. You are a beautiful lady. And you have a handsome prince who's supposed to be your husband. What do you want from me?
I want you.
Oh God, I don't want
But
you.
I want you.
Please, can you get off me? You have a man. I'm not of your class. I don't want you. Excuse me.
How dare you walk out on me? You'll pay. Yes. Hello, Ike. I would like to see you right now. I'll forward you the address.
My prince, anything where you talk, I support them. In fact, anything where you pronounce, I dare for you. Not be everybody supposed to dey worship water. People when worship water, may they go worship water. As for me and my family, now Jesus they our back.
My prince, Neto is not supposed to be in this Christian meeting. If I'm allowed to say, the princess is the one that's supposed to be here and not she.
The prince has got to be.
Well, I have my reasons.
EZENWANYI, don't you have anything to say?
I don't have much to say. My stand remains. Every shop and businesses must remain closed on every Eke Market day. That is the day we worship our river goddess.
That's your rule now for people where they worship water now. You know, consign me. Here.
I do not see anything wrong in this. It's just a matter of understanding.
It should be a matter of understanding. This our prince where they see for here, he gets sense. He gets wisdom. He goes school, well learned. He know what they talk. And anything when they talk, I dare for you. You are correct. Oh. Wait, why your face swell up like this?
Shift your leg.
Why your face there like this? Because I won't collect my money. Now they pay you. Make I clear you, this your anger no fit boil egg. Cool down your temperature. Nothing dey come out from your body.
I choose you. I fell in love with you from the beginning.
Hey. Oh, Petweke. This is when Prince they choose me. My prince. I Adam risky. You go feel wrong with it, my matter. I know there is you. Talk now. You go fit handle me.
Neto chukwu, neto chukwu. Nwanyi bụ ike, she's stronger like a man. You know fit pull am down. Anywhere she enter, she dey speak her mind, oh. She no like trouble, but she know they run from trouble, oh. She like to hustle, no use her hustle, take and play. If she say the truth to anywhere, she go talk more. Neto. If you carry fight, it come her house, or she go knock you. Neto. She do always fight for the weak, well. Neto. Neto chukwu, them no fit chop her ear.
Dad. Father.
Dad.
Marry the cobbler. She's already your heart's desire. Punish EZENWANYI.
Father, you shouldn't be doing this. Just wake up, open your eyes. Father, please, I beg you, open your eyes. God.
Oh no. It's me, Prince. The worst has happened. My father is not... He's not opening his eyes, he's not moving, his body's just stiff. Please, come to the palace right away. Yes.
Neto Chukwu, the prince wants you to be his queen.
Mama, I dreamt about it. Oh, that's so dream they come to pass. Hey.
This is striking. So, what is he going to do with Princess Adora?
Nothing concern me concern that one. Oh. My own be say I'm in love with the prince. I'm still in shock, Seth.
About EZENWANYI being a murderer?
Mama, that one no concern me. Prince Geba tell me say, Obina tell and say, Princess tried to give him 5 million, made it for the sea secretly.
Hey! Chukwuaju, my own Obina.
He even talk say she threatened to fire him from his workplace if they don't agree to see. But I trust my brother now. He won't be himself, he hold his side, he gets self-control, he no agree.
Hey! And he never told us all this one.
Mama, it is time to reset this kingdom. Evil must be flushed out.
Okay.
Yes, so. Ha.
Mama will come up for you now.
Give me.
Mama with the go now. Mama with the go.
Don't ask me that. Is that what you're asking me? Eh? You're the only one at home. Esther is not around. Please take care of the house. You know?
Mama will come out here now. You no go find Obin now. Because I go deal with you.
Obin na
Hi, baby. Oh, Adamiri. Oh, my princess. Greetings. Greetings to you. You're here? Yes. Hello. Good morning.
You're awake.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I did. I'm so tired.
So sorry.
Yeah, have you heard from Ike? He's not called since yesterday.
Oh, no. I don't even have his number, and I'm sure he doesn't have mine too. Why not call him later and,
It's okay. It's fine. Don't worry.
So let me tell the chef to get you breakfast.
I know. I'm fine. Okay?
Sure?
I'm sure.
You're not hungry? Or you want me? You don't want food? Or you want food?
I'm so tired.
You don't want food or you want me? You don't want food or you want me?
Oh my God. I'm so tired.
I'm sorry, did you dream of me?
Always.
My baby. Yuri.
Hey.
Mama. Can I have it? Let's have it.
It took you too long.
No verse. Activity plenty. No verse.
Oh yeah, now let me have.
You know now, you cannot just have it like that.
Chidi.
You don't forget, you can't be Chidi. You cannot just have it like that. It takes a lot to have it like that.
Chidi now.
Eh?
Give it to me now. I'm on my period. Maybe later. This one is useless to me. So give me the new one.
As you don't touch them with always on her period. You go. If your period don't finish, you come. I'm tired. No matter who go on your period. You can't do it. No, it won't happen.
Chidi.
You're on your period, baby.
Chidi. Chidi, now that's not the agreement.
I know they like stress. I know they like stress. If I want to do something, I do it with my full heart, my full chest. I don't like stress and delay.
Chidi, wait. I'm not on my period, but there's something I want to go to with that shoe. Later now will come, so we'll do. Now just give me this shoe.
Okay, you're not done your period again.
No, I'm not doing my period.
You have to submit now.
Chidi now.
Submit answer booklet.
Chidi.
Make I pass you.
We'll do it later now. I want to go to one party.
No. You know what happen. Today na WAEC. Na English dey compulsory for WAEC. Come write WAEC.
Oh yeah. Where do you want it?
No, you not pressure me to do it. No, not be me. Manta give him time. Allow me, let me relax. I'll bring out my heart, my everything. I put it on you. You cannot.
Chidi, now there's something I'm rushing to now. You do it like 5 minutes now.
No, you give me 10 minutes, more than. I will take my time. That is, I'll bring out my energy.
Where do you want?
No, you not shout.
Okay, sorry.
Look, bring down your voice.
Okay, sir.
I'm the one doing the work.
Yes.
You follow me.
So,
I will change my mind now.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Now let's go. I want to wear that shoe somewhere.
Oh, it's all no good talking.
Let's go.
Mama, I don't want to bother anybody on my personal issues. I can handle it.
Is that why you resigned?
Yes. What is the reason I resigned? Because I wonder what I'll be doing there.
This is serious. Girls of nowadays. I wonder. Those days it wasn't like this. Is it not shameful?
Anyway, Mama, please, I want to keep this on a low. Please.
Hello? What?
I'll be right there. Mama, I'll be right back, please.
Why did you resign?
You already know.
You can come back to work now.
I can't, my princess.
Why? Are you deaf? Did you not hear me mention that you can come back to work?
My princess, I've already gotten another job and I'm resuming work on Monday.
I see. So it is true. You are sleeping with that thing in your sister's shop. That's common. You know, it is funny how I try to bring you up to my standard, forgetting that you are classless. What a shame. Well, you have the ball in your court. I wonder how you are going to exist around my kingdom when I become the queen. I'm sure you will have yourself to blame. Cheap thing. Excuse me. Where do you think you're going?
And who are you to ask me such a thing? Who is this one? Who is this one? Don't try it with me, oh. Don't try it with me. See, do I look like your village people? Do I look like those who are scared of you and your family members? Madam, if you know my boss, you should know me better.
Oh, Nyeshi, I will deal with you. I promise you. I will.
And I'm gladly waiting for that very day. Yes. Look at you. You are here. You're after a man that doesn't want you. Eh? You are killing yourself over a man that doesn't want you. Can't you see it? Why are you so desperate to have somebody who doesn't even care about your existence? Why? See, don't try this nonsense next time. Don't try it. If not, you will not like me.
Where did you borrow your guts from? A shoemaker like you is challenging me, Mirima. It's okay.
Get out.
Onyechi, I promise you, you will regret this action.
Nothing.
I swear to God. Can you imagine?
JD! JD! JD don't fool me. JD! Hell! This guy don't fool me. JD have used me. If I tell somebody, nobody will believe me. JD have used my head. I'm a fool. JD! JD went away with the 2 shoes. Hey. Chidi, I'm a big fool. Neka, you are a big fool. Chidi used me anyhow, collected the 2 shoes and left. What if I'm pregnant? Hey! Chidi! Use my brain, I'm a fool. Neka, you are a big Oswald, big fool.
Chidi, so you be thief. pack this shoe. Chidi. Hey!
So you stole this shoe? You actually stole the shoe?
You don't speak English. Now, offer God that I will give you. Try am.
Metiano, you see me, you say get mad to talk, you them mad.
Madam, I no thief am, no vex. I go pour you speech.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
Madam, no vex. No, they put am out no concern you. Sorry, man.
How you gonna thief?
I no thief am.
So what you do?
I move am.
You move am. You move am. Ah! Ah!
Madam! Ah! Madam, what's that for? Ah! What's going on here now? Madam! You want to fight trouble, you want to do what's that for here? Madam! What's that for now? Madam! Ah! Madam, what's that for? You woke up now, what's happened to you? No, not try to put my heart for it, so. You get mad to no get strength. Madam! Act, Neda. What's wrong with you?
What have you done? How dare you? Urukai? How dare you set my gods on fire? Urukai, are you mad or something?
You think you go fit kill me, Abi? You think say you go fit buy me? You not fit. I'm not small, oh. I not be. What you they do? What you they do? Since I follow you play, they mad.
Odeshi!
Eh!
Odeshi!
Go on the enter you, Abi!
Does not
Go on the enter you!
Yes!
Go on the enter you! Go on the enter you! I will kill him!
Drop it!
I will kill him!
Drop it!
Drop him out, die!
Drop it now!
That's the one you don't vanish, Abi! You think I'm not gonna catch you? Eh? Oh, you think you gonna disappear, Abi? I didn't pin the wait for you, I didn't go anywhere. Now me and you today, I go give you trouble for this kingdom. I go give you heat. We don't whine.
Release me. Release me. My chest. I cannot breathe. Please release me, oh. Release me. Ah! Release me. Release me. Please. Release me, oh. Release me. I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. My chest. My chest. Ah! My chest. I cannot breathe. Release me. I cannot. Ah! I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Release me. Oh! My chest. My chest. My chest. I cannot breathe. Release me. Release me. I cannot breathe. No breathe. Release me. Oh, release me.
Chimo, this woman turned to snake. EZENWANYI! EZENWANYI! I don't catch you. I'm not gonna release you. I'm not gonna release you. I'm gonna kill you today. I'm not gonna release you, they're mad. I'm not gonna release you. This how they follow you play. This how they follow you play, EZENWANYI. You're mad. This how they follow you play. Now me, you take the play, EZENWANYI, you don't fear. But they use me, they play, EZENWANYI. You go connect today. No, eh? No! No, Abi! No! I go deal with you today. No, Abi!
Release me! No! No, I cannot breathe! No! No!
It don't be for you, EZENWANYI. Today is your end. You go die today. You're mad.
I am not going to let this happen. Mama cannot do this to me. I really don't like what Mama is doing. I don't like it. Eh?
Don't say you don't like what Mama did. Mama not even there at shrine.
The prince already declared her his queen. Why would Mama do this type of a thing to me now? What is the problem?
The worst part be say Mama no there at shrine sef. I don't look for her everywhere. Look for her. I don't see her. Wetin dey sup sef?
Zugo, Mama is fake. Mama is fake. Don't look at me like that. If Mama is not fake, she has to prove it to me. How can Mama do this to me? She's EZENWANYI for crying out loud.
Nah.
Hey! Kill the witch! I don't catch your mama.
You catch who, Mama?
Don't be your mama be this. Don't be your mama be this. Eh? Your mama no fear. She called my shop. She won't kill me and my girl. She teaches she go succeed. She don't feel succeed. I go and she ready go confront and now she turn to this snake. It don't be for Amo. Kill the witch. Burn the witch. I go burn your mama today. I go kill your mama today. It don't be for your mama. Oh. It don't be for your mama. It don't be for your mama. I go buy up today. I don't catch your mama. Are you seeing it? I don't catch your mama. Are you seeing it? Kill the witch. It don't be oh.
Where is that bastard? Come out! Where is she? You think you can take my man away? Where is she? Adon, where is that bastard that thinks she can take the prince away from me? Where is she? What's the problem? You don't. Where are you?
You want? I shoot you.
You pointed a gun at me. This has not ended.
You see they talk bomb there your head. Come up on this place.
I want to take the prince away from me. The big girl. I will come for you. I will find my own God.
That person be. They don't understand. I'm not well. They whine.
Neto.
I'm sure you're not aware that I am the deadliest. Yet the simplest of them. Shut up. I don't bite. But when I decide to, I bite the bone and make sure you don't exist anymore. You said you would gladly wait, Onyeshi. And behold, you waited. And that's what shows you're a great person. And today, I will chop your parts, bit by bit, and make sure you don't exist anymore. And guess what? Obina will finally be mine. And you will be no more. Yes, you will be no more. You dared Mirima. How dare you? How dare you dare me? Sorry. Where is that guts? Where did you buy your guts from?
Sorry. Hey. Hey, Uchimo. Hey. There's a million in my cow. Tell her to release that snake. As it is, I cannot breathe though. That snake is suffocating. I'm dying. Help me, my children. I'm dying. Your mother is dying. Ah!
Mama, wait. What, Mama, me, I don't understand though. I don't understand. We are telling you that Neto is about to become the queen of this kingdom. And you're telling us to go and beg her. How now? How are we even supposed to stoop that low to go and beg Neto? For what, Mama? For what?
There's no need for this what people are doing now. Help your mother. Your mother is dying, you know. As you can see me now, I'm dying, I'm going, you know.
Hello, Mama. I want to understand something. So what you they try tell us now? They say your spirit is inside that snake where she carry.
Yes, that is my snake. That is my life. Oh, collect that snake from her. Oh, my head is on fire.
Mama, I don't understand. It's still unbelievable to me. Oh, what do you mean she was chasing you up and down? And that she came and took away your snake from your shrine? Mama? Are you telling us that Neto is about to defeat you or what?
My body is burning,
Where is Mirima?
I don't know.
Which one is that you don't? We need to help Mama now. You see, Mama is dying now. Her condition is not good.
Let's help her now. Am I not here? Am I Mirima's keeper? I'm here saying that I've lost the prince and you're telling me something else.
I will slap you. You are still talking about the prince. Mama, sorry. We'll go and find the snake now.
So what are we going to do now? Is she coming?
She's coming. Mama is gone. Can you imagine your life at the mercy of your enemies? Eh? I don't know what to do.
What are we going to do now?
I don't know what to do as it stands like this.
What do you mean you don't know what to do? I'm asking you, what do you mean you don't know what to do?
Which one is what you're asking me? What do you mean don't know what to do? I'm telling you, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go to from here. I don't know what to do.
Ezugo, you're my elder brother. Please, you have to figure out something, anything at all.
See this one, you're my elder brother. Come, you not be human being. You don't feel think for yourself. You don't feel think of something.
Stop shouting. You know, Mama's spirit is in that snake. If nothing is done, she will die. Mama takes blood to survive.
But I don't know what to do now. But come on, where is Mirima?
Leave Mirima. Let's figure out a way to save Mama. Leave her alone.
Why will I leave her alone? Is she not part of this family? What are you saying? She's supposed to be here so that we can put heads together and know what to do.
Since she's not here, can't both of us sort things out?
You think of something now. Think of something.
You are the first one, no? You go, but I don't know what you're doing, no?
No. We are talking about something. You are telling me another thing.
If Mama dies, me, I'll hold you.
Nikuyenka.
Babe, what is going on? What's happening? I cannot possibly accept that you chose that thing over me. That girl is evil. Certainly she has bewitched you. She used a spell on you, I know that. Babe, I am your queen and we can rule this kingdom together. I didn't come all the way from yours to be humiliated here. Right now, all you have to do is to get her banished. I can't lose you. My love, we can work things out, all right?
Hey. Shut up that your ugly dirty mouth. Do you think that we don't know what you do behind? Look, this kingdom may be too large as you think, but do small in getting information. Yes.
Can you just shut up? Keep quiet, you old fool. Don't interfere when I'm talking to my man. Baby, pay no attention to this old fool, okay? Listen to me, I cannot lose you. I can't lose you over anyone. Please. Babe, say something. Say you love me. Say you want me back.
You killed Ike? He tried to blackmail you, yes.
I was so glad when I got your call.
Hello.
I knew you were going to call me. I know you miss me.
Yeah, we do.
How news flies? You're becoming the queen soon.
You heard?
Yes, I heard.
Amazing.
You're looking so adorable and beautiful.
Oh, nice.
You.
Oh. Idiot. You want to blackmail me? Fool. My love. Baby, you know me too well. You know that I'm a good woman. I can explain. And I'm sure you will understand me. I can explain, baby.
Shut up your mouth and save yourself the stress.
Obi, Remember, I love you. I can't lose you. I am sorry. I am a good queen. We can root together. I can correct.
Keep quiet. You killed Ike as they have guts to speak before our king. How dare you? You are expecting to become a queen. People like you should be in the zoo and not expecting to rule this kingdom with a great king.
Oh no. Please, talk to him. Please help me.
You will not be our queen.
Yes.
For what you've done, you will be locked up in this palace until the appropriate authority arrive.
Yes.
Guards!
Finest! Mama, waiting with the wait now. I will just butcher this girl once. Make I kill him.
Please, no, relax. I will call my shots in no time.
Please. My body dey shake me.
Right?
Please spare my life.
I should spare you.
Please.
Did you spare Obina for me? Did you?
I'm sorry.
No. It's okay. It's fine.
Shut up.
Let's go. Look at her.
Please.
You don't have mouth.
Oh, I wanted to kill them both. Oh, hey, I wanted both of them to die. Oh, hey, my body. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, hey.
Abomination.
Hey.
So you were the person that killed her father?
Yes. Oh, I killed her father because he preached to the Igwe to stop having an affair with me. That Igwe should focus on his God. That his God is a God of fire. And I got furious and sent Igwe kidney disease. I made him to die of kidney failure. I am sorry.
So after confessing how you killed the king, you still went ahead trying to eliminate the prince. How heartless and evil you are.
I wanted to kill the prince because he's the one always opposing me. The death that killed Igwe wasn't supposed to kill Igwe. He was supposed to have killed the prince. And Igwe jinisi buru ihe ọ na-abụrụ ya mere o. Hey.
Aru, EZENWANYI, you deserve to die. You are full of evil. Look at where it landed you. This is the day of your reckoning. You are right. EZENWANYI, Hey. Abomination. So you killed our king.
My elders, please, I am begging you people. Please, let's help my mother. I don't want her to die. I'm begging you because...
Let us call the prince and Neto Chukwu.
Yes.
Call them to come here. Let me apologize to them. Oh.
Please, no. Please, let's help my mother.
Beg Neto to release the snake.
Aro. EZENWANYI committed abomination.
Please, don't kill her. We are begging you. Release the snake.
If I release this snake, make her die. If I try and make this ground swallow me. If I release this snake, make her die. I'm not trying more. They whine.
I beg, I beg. Forgive my mama. Release the snake. I promise you, I go make sure say she not practice this thing again. I beg, I thank God. Since when she dey practice, she never help anybody for this. Not even my sister, not even me, sir. I beg now. Forgive her. I beg.
So please, I am begging you, don't allow my mother to die, please. I am begging you. I'm sorry for everything that we did to you because Neto, please, Neto, please.
Neto, please. I beg you. Forgive her. Huh? Let go of this snake. Let's have peace. Allow karma to take its course.
My prince, you shock me. Oh. I swear to God, you shock me. The Bible says, suffer not a witch to live. This woman a witch. If I release this snake, she go do worst. Everybody go die finish for this village. She go kill everybody. I'm not gonna release this snake. Oh. I'm not gonna try him.
She nearly killed me. Neto,
please. Don't allow my mother to die. My prince.
You want to touch me. Who not the fight?
Oh, Nato. Please, I beg you, for my own sake, let go of the snake. Let peace reign. Forgive.
Nato, please now. Please, Nato, please. Because we are sorry for everything.
Hey, Chimo! Chimo! Hey, Tochukwu!
Nato, please. Nato, please.
Mama. Mama, give me. Mama. Hey!
Mama.
Mama.
Mama, no.
Mama, no. Please, Mama. Never. Neto Chuku. You have said it, eh? You have killed my mother.
I'll take kill her, Mama.
You can them.
I may kill her. I release this. Let disappear. She die. I'll take kill her. You see me touch her.
Mama.
Oh no,
Mama.
and my elders, please kindly communicate with the youth of this town so they can prepare for her funeral.
It's all right, please.
Nato, follow me.
So this is the end of EZENWANYI.
Mire jire nye mwe finanya.
Mama mo bikana. Hey, Neto Chuku mukalumunamo. Neto Chuku mukalumunamo.
EZENWANYI, in your next word, try and be good.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Hey, you mean her daughter nearly killed you? Oh, Chim.
Mama, no be small thing happened there. You know, say as manager of the shop, I did for shop, they can't call me. Say they see spunk and some boys and girls carry Onye they enter bush.
Jesus.
I have to, as the Superman and Spider-Man where I be, I jump into the matter. I went to separate the issue. I cannot go alone. I called 2 vigilantes. I called Spider-Man here, Obinna. We went together to fight war. Mama, you know easy. You know easy. Strength come off my body.
My dear, thank you very much.
Mama, it's nothing.
This is the first time you did something that regards me.
No, as the philanthropist that I am, I'm working in world. You know, say she's not strong, no only math. But it's nothing. It's nothing, Mama.
You tried, my dear.
Mama, I do not believe what happened. As I'm talking to you now, I'm still in shock. Because the whole thing is just playing on my head. If not for God now, Nyeshi here would have been a dead person by now.
Huh? Can you imagine? Their corpse has filled up.
Mama, you really fool.
Can you imagine how calamity just before EZENWANYI's family?
Very rubbish family like that.
Hey, my daughter, he's well with you.
Huh? It's nothing. As a philanthropist, what is my work? Mama.
You tried, eh?
Thank you, Mama.
You tried.
Chidi, thank you so
It's
much.
nothing. It's nothing. What is life?
It's okay.
Oh.
No, sorry, eh?
Mama, you not cook anything. You not cook.
I am delighted that today my coronation was a success. And also to my beautiful wife here, I say thank you. And I promise that henceforth, this land shall experience fresh breath of air. We shall have peace, unity, and progress. In my reign, in this land, there will not be bloodshed. So shall it be. Music!
EZENWANYI, EZENWANYI, Okemo, EZENWANYI, Onyike, Onyike, EZENWANYI, EZENWANYI, Okemo, Okemo, EZENWANYI, Ewo, Onyike. See the evil priestess over the land. Whatever she wants is what she will get. Do not stand on her way. If you dare her, Nkeke Bomekwe, EZENWANYI, Ahe, Okemo, Akalamara, Akalamwa, EZENWANYI,